What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
Yeah,
How's
just a
life?
minute. I'm putting my video on.
Cheers, man.
Sure. Cheers, my brother.
Cheers.
Yeah. Can you
Is
see
it
me now?
just me? Is it just me, or whenever we do this kind of a podcast, Mohit has a glass filled with some strange liquid? What's that you're drinking?
It's just Catch Clear and orange juice with a little
Okay.
twist.
Twist.
But yeah.
Twist.
Ratul Mukherjee, what's up, man? How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you guys?
We
We're
are
good,
doing
man.
well.
So, is still lockdown in Delhi or not?
Things
Not
are opening
anymore.
up. I mean, there is lockdown, but it's not as strict as it was about a week ago.
Okay.
Like they've allowed for certain things to be opened, public transport and stuff like that. But it's always gyms are the last thing to open here.
I'm not, I haven't stepped out of my house for last 15 days. So I'm still waiting for 15th of June.
Is that
so-
the date gets over for you guys?
So it will be going to get 15 June tak chalega. The lockdown is going to till 15th of June.
That's not so bad. It's like a week from now. That's
And it might get extended. I don't know. The rumors are there.
right.
Oh, goddamn. So, I mean, we're doing this podcast like this is overdue. We kind of had to do this with you guys maybe 8 months ago or something like that. But I guess we had a hurricane come through and like a whole bunch of shit happen. So just couldn't get around to it. So we've got Orko Dasgupta and Ratul Mukherjee. These two gentlemen represent a lot of the fight game out of Kolkata and have some differences. And Ratul, you reached out to us because you wanted to clear the air about some stuff that you
Yeah.
believe has been said about you. So, man, it's your forum. Orko is here.
Okay.
He wants to.
Thank you. Yeah, I can see Arco.
So what we want to
Yeah.
do is like we want to give you guys an opportunity to air out your grievances and do it in a fashion where
Cool.
And I mean, hopefully try and moderate it to the best of our abilities.
yeah, instead of it turning to News 18
No.
Manola
I
Eskimaki
understand.
and that shit, like we can be
I
civilized.
think we can all handle ourselves as adults here.
Fair enough.
Yeah, we are mature enough.
Good. Okay, so Ratul, please, why don't you kick us off and tell us what's up?
So, if I remember, you don't have problem like talking in Hindi or something like that because
Absolutely
Nothing.
not.
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
Whatever you want.
So if we remember last year during the pre-Amphan, I hope Orko was with Leverage Radio, right?
Yeah.
And I was going through it, and all of a sudden he jumped up with me. He cracked my name Ratul Mukherjee. तो वो बात मेरे को हजम नहीं हुआ because I know Orko for a very long time. For a very it's more than 10 years I know him. We have we've been friends for a couple of hours, and we have been the rivals of, or we don't like each other. We hate each other for many years.
Right.
So जब ये बोला कि he started MMA. So I want to clear some air. ठीक है? MMA, I'm the person, Ratul Mukherjee, who have introduced MMA to Kolkata in 2008 officially,
Right.
and unofficially in 2006. So
what do you mean by this officially and unofficially? So
unofficially was like that. I was trying to educate my team. I had at that time, you know, that Blog Sports was famous over there during that time. Blogger.com, this blogging and everything, Blog Sports. So I used to research MMA and I used to educate. Okay, this is WWE is different, MMA is different. I started working. The first name which I registered was MMA Bengal. I've been operating in MMA Bengal, so I named it MMA Bengal. In 2008, it got officially registered, and I was a person. Hence, I don't know the rules about MMA, what the entire rule set is, kaise hota hai operations, what are the things. So I talked to Daniel Isaac, and I in 2008 Asian Open Amateur MMA Championship. During that time, there was no IMA, there was nothing.
Yeah.
It was All India Combat Sports Federation.
right.
And in fact, I lost a fight via TKO against Javed Shamim Maula. He's a very good friend and a training partner to Avijit Petkar. So it started. And Orko said Orko started the trainings and all. He was leaning with the trainings. Well, he started something, this MMA movement in Calcutta. He had been training. So मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि Orko का official background क्या है? I don't know what his official martial arts background is, but I'm pretty eager to know. Point number one. Point number two, he always talk about these things banning. उसमें भी मैं बात करूंगा. पहले मैं ये बात कर देता हूँ कि उसने जब बोलता कि वो लेवरेज में बोला था लास्ट ईयर कि he started MMA, he was a stalwart. So वो कैसे MMA चालू किया? और को can you share some examples कि how did you establish MMA in Kolkata? Because I have never seen you actively involved in the MMA community. I'm not talking about the Jiu-Jitsu community because I have no fair idea about how Jiu-Jitsu things works. So I have no idea about the Jiu-Jitsu community. But when you talk about MMA in Kolkata, so may I know what you have achieved in Kolkata doing promoting MMA? What kind of MMA you have done? What kind of promotions you have done?
Fair enough. I think that's a very legit question, right? So, with all due respect to Ratul and everybody here, when so Ashwin, if you would remember the first episode that we did of Leverage, right?
Mhm.
So the first episode which I got involved with Leverage, I don't quite remember me saying that I started. I don't know if Ashwin will recall it. I said I'm one of the guys, and I think I
So
always
as
give-
far as I remember,
Correct. There was another name that was in
it
the
was
picture
you,
also.
Shiba, and one more person.
yes,
Like you guys
So
were
I-
involved with.
yes, absolutely. I was one of the coaches in 360, and
Yeah, you
I
came out of
started
that.
coaching.
You told
I
us
came
that.
out of that. I
Yeah.
came out of that. I never said I started the MMA movement. I don't know whether MMA was a movement all that year back. I don't know if still still it is or not. That I think the
Fair enough.
first person here will be able to say it. But
Okay,
I
so
have,
so
I have
let's
been a
get-
coach.
Yeah, sorry.
I've been a
Go ahead.
coach, and that's about it. And as far as my background, whether I'm like official background in MMA, and use, I think a very nice word came up that I was from the jiu-jitsu community, but fair enough, I have always been training guys in MMA. Means my guys, my team, my previous team, we have competed, I think, more in MMA than and less in jiu-jitsu. And
Correct.
to be very honest, people in jiu-jitsu community know me less and know me more because of my MMA background.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
the amateur team that I have fights MMA. It's called Combat Clan. If you have not heard of it, I don't think you will have heard of it if you're too low and there, I guess.
Fair
I
enough.
heard about your team. I heard about your team and Combat
Fantastic.
Clan and everything. I know why you do the coachings and all because
Oh,
I hope one of my former clients is
I'm
with you
blessed.
right now.
so
So
one of your former clients? Oh, I don't know who.
yeah, he's been training with you. It's Atit Kelvin Gupta is with you right now. He's training with you.
Yeah,
in
we
a-
know
in a gym.
Atit.
Atit.
Are they?
Yeah, Atit
No,
was
Atit as
supposed
well.
to.
Yeah, this is a
I've
good
trained
friend.
with Atit. I've trained
Yeah,
with
Atit
Atit
is a good
myself.
guy and his friend Ronak is with you.
Good
I
friend.
know. So that's
Well.
that's the personal agenda. So that's
And
the
when you
personal
say
things
about
where you
client,
want to
I don't
train
know.
on
You
Atit.
were training him, or you were his manager or something?
I was his manager.
Oh,
I was his
I didn't know
manager.
that. I don't know that. So I didn't know about that.
Yeah.
See, I have an open door policy. Anybody who wants to train MMA can come.
That's
and
not a
train.
problem. Like,
so
whoever wants to
Ratul,
come, he's
What's the
hired.
problem?
Atul, what bothered you mainly was that he said that he was the guy who brought in the movement of MMA
But I
in
didn't.
Bengal. Exactly. Let
I'm
me
going
get to
on
that.
record.
So
I
exactly.
didn't start MMA.
Exactly. That's what I'm getting to. So
No,
I didn't never
let me
said that. I never
let me
went
clear
on
some
record
airs.
anywhere.
Right now, I think you are talking to Ashwin in your Instagram, right? So that Instagram live things you are talking to
Mhm.
Ashwin,
Yeah.
and I've been following it. It's मेरे को दो चीज पूछना है. आपने मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, मैं लास्ट ईयर से टाइम नहीं मिला और वो अचानक आप बोलते हो कि यू वांट टू बी फ्री, आपको सब जगह बैन किया गया है. लास्ट ईयर आपने मेरा नाम उठाया, मैंने आपका नाम कहीं नहीं उठाया था. Took my name out. In fact, you went to that Siddharth's podcast. You took my name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
I
why?
was asked. I said.
Okay. So you asked him. You said. You
And-
said.
And excuse me.
You already
And
said.
excuse me.
Orko,
Ashwin, at that
Orko.
time.
Orko,
Let him
hang on,
finish,
Ratul.
let him finish.
Ratul,
Guys can
what
talk over
exactly
each
was
other.
said? And so, because I don't think all of our listeners have also heard that
So you
podcast.
mentioned Sid's podcast. What happened there?
There was a word that Ratul cannot complete a one sentence without fumbling.
Okay.
And when he's talked, मेरे को एक प्रॉब्लम है, जब वो बोलते वो पूरा बोले. He plays कि he's a victim card और वो करता है, बाकी सब है. Why ये बैनिंग गेम है? कोई बैनिंग गेम कहीं नहीं है. मैं आपको एक पूरा सीधा एक क्लियरिटी बताता हूँ how Calcutta things work. Okay?
जी.
So you have to learn little bit कि थोड़ा सा हिस्ट्री में जाना है. पहले सबसे पहले जब MMA बंगाल ऑपरेट हुआ, मेरे पास शिवाशीष बैनर्जी, who is Shiva Banerjee, aka the owner of right now Alpha Omega.
Yeah.
So उसका एक ईमेल आता है. He want to learn. I said I'm not a good coach. I know grappling. We are just emphasizing the things, how to run things. He joined. After he joined with me, we two were only there. So we started practicing and all. Not in a proper manner. We didn't have mats and all. We started. Then the other guy, I don't want to take the name, that Jim came in. We joined
360
hands.
Partho.
Yeah, 360 Partho came in. We joined hands. We are operating. At the सबसे last में entry होता है Orko का. Okay. So it was me, then Shiva Banerjee, then it was 360. So we were all together.
Right.
And at last, Orko comes in, he joins. Uska joining क्या है? Within a month, I have been fired from the team. Like, they let me go. Like, we don't want you. Once they let me go, I met Nur Mohammad Bhutia. उसके बाद हमने टैपोनॉमिक्स फॉर्म किया. उसके बीच के बाद जब मैंने बहुत जगह देखा है, मेरे साथ ऑर्को का, फिर मेरे साथ ऑर्को का उसके बाद मुलाकात हुआ 2016 फिटेक्स में, जहां उसका एक बंदा फाइट लड़ रहा था. एंड ही वाज लिटरली, उसके बाद वो फाइट कर उसका बंदा को ही वाज फन, देयर वाज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ, इसके हिसाब से इलीगल एल्बो था, एंड द रेफ वाज नॉट एक्टिव. ओके, बट ही क्रिएटेड अ सीन आउट देयर. He damn created a scene out there. There are a lot of my top level seniors were there. I was in a job, so my seniors were there. In fact, my sponsors, Dish TV, the regional director, that regional manager who handles the marketing was there. It was pretty abusive from Orko's end. Okay, मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला, चुप हो गया. So after all, जब ये all of a sudden ये dead body news जब बाहर आता है कि I am doing it, इसको ये मेरे को ban कर रहा है. The thing is this, I want to say to Orko, in Bengal, nobody wants to ban you. Because I don't want to, me personally, I talk to my matchmaker regularly, like 3 to 4 hours a day. We talk on Bengal scene. So the thing is this, I say, I heard everybody keeps banning you. No, nobody keeps banning you. The thing is this, the coaching you guys, वो आपका जैसा कोचिंग्स ले रहे हैं ना, वो आपका हम लोग साइन नहीं कर पा रहे. हम लोग साइन नहीं कर रहे, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम आपको बैन कर रहे. आपके फाइटर्स नहीं हो पा रहा है, आपके फाइटर्स को उतना ट्रेनिंग नहीं है कि वो कोई टूर्नामेंट जीत जाए. Right now, the sign, if you are following Solo Warriors, look at the number of fighters we are signing in our rosters.
Okay, so you are responsible for Solo Warriors, correct?
Sort of, yeah. I am one of the founder, my wife, and there is a matchmaker. So yeah,
okay.
I have been with Boom. I have been along with a lot of things.
So is Boom now converted into Solo Warriors?
No, Boom is separate entity. I have just dropped. I have just I have left Boom. I formed Solo Warriors because we had a point of view difference. They wanted to make it a pro amateur, and I wanted to make it a full professional promotion, which I can make it a brand, and I can cash in future on. Right, so it is why I left Boom. It was simply the point of view differences. As simple as that.
Okay.
Now, when we यहाँ पे बहुत सारे आते हैं कि Orko ने is a blue belt. I accept Orko is a blue belt. ठीक है. But sir, you guys are into jiu-jitsu, right? For a very long time. For a very long time, I know you guys are very jiu-jitsu. Tell me, हमें आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि top 10 jiu-jitsu coaches आपके हिसाब से. No, I'm not talking about the Gracies and all. जिसके साथ आपने ट्रेनिंग की और आपको अच्छा लगता हो. आप जो नाम जानते हो, आप मेरे को 10 नाम बोलो. और उसमें से अगर आप ऑर्को के बारे में बोलते हो, ऑर्को इतना बोल रहा है, उसमें से ऑर्को जब ब्लू बेल्ट, जो कोच ऑर्को को ब्लू बेल्ट दिया है, but I am unable to pronounce his name, like Dix आ जाता है मेरे मुंह पे, Rice Dix कुछ नाम है उसका.
Reese Dix.
When I was searching about him, in fact you can search about him, उसका सिर्फ एक ही रिकॉर्ड पॉप अप होता है. ही इज अ पैन अमेरिकन में एक बार पार्टिसिपेट किया है. पीटर बिन उसका कोच, उसके बारे में कोई डेटा सरफेस आउट नहीं होता है. ओके. इसके बाद मैं आपको ये कैलकुलेशंस बताता हूँ. ऑर्को आया, I moved out from 360. Rice Dix 2016. We invited him. उसके पहले Combat Carnival होते थे, तो my team knew Dan Wimberly, Rice Dix were there rolling for Combat Carnival. That happened when that Combat Carnival happened in Kolkata. Rice Dix was invited in Boom. So that's the first time I met him. And we didn't talk. We just shook our heads and acknowledged each other because that's the first time we are meeting.
Right.
वही एक पहली और आखिरी मुलाकात है. उसके बाद he started rattling about me. He started rattling about me. Orko started rattling about me. Shiva started rattling about me. On the same page. Why? Because I haven't provoked anybody. मैंने किसी को उंगली नहीं किया. मैंने किसी को कुछ नहीं. Okay, मेरा प्रमोशन है, मेरा पास हो गया. उसका है, वो है. ये होता रहा. उसके बीच में ऑर्को का हमेशा ये कहना था कि वो मैन है, ठीक है, वो उसको फाइटर्स को चांस नहीं मिलता है, ठीक है। मैं आपका एक एयर क्लियर करता हूँ, वो जिस टीम के साथ था वो टीम ने ऑर्को को बनाया। I am not with that team anymore, but I have a very good relation with each and everybody.
This
The
is
team
360.
360.
360.
Yeah,
The
but I don't
team
think
Orko
Orko
left.
is never has ever said that he didn't get something out of
You
that
know,
place.
I'm telling that story. So
Mhm.
why Orko? When Orko left, Orko took majority of his
So did
students,
Shiba at the same time, I'm guessing, right? Am I correct?
and so when the entire students moved out, अगर आपका जिम है और आपका कोई कोचिंग हो जाता है, so क्या होगा,
Mhm.
भाई मेरे को तुझसे नफरत है, मैं नहीं लूंगा। It's not banning. अगर मैं एज अ प्रोमोटर, मी आई एम अ प्रोमोटर, ठीक है,
Mhm.
मैं आज ऑर्को का बंदा को साइन नहीं करूं, इसका मतलब तब तक ऑर्को का बंदा जब तक ऑर्को का बंदा साइन नहीं हो रहा तब तक ऑर्को कोई इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाएगा, मतलब एज अ कोच, एज अ कॉर्नर, एज एन ऑन्टरेज आ नहीं पाएगा। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं ऑर्को को बैन कर रहा हूँ।
Okay.
मेरा जजमेंट ये है कि ऑर्को के एथलीट्स केपेबल इनफ नहीं है, बिकॉज वो कुछ दिन पहले इंस्टाग्राम में आया था और उसने कुछ बोला था कि उसके बंदे they went to fought in amateur MMA tournament where everybody lost, and he took the responsibility of the loss, and he want to say how legit he is. This ये इससे उसका legitimacy कैसे आ जाता है? Point number 2 जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, और कोई इज अ कोच, कोच कैसे होता है? अगर कोई एथलीट, अगर कोई कोच उस पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट में वो अगर compete नहीं किया है, how can he be the coach? उसको वो winning, वो
That actually,
losing,
John Danaher is a great
no, there
example.
are
I
a
think
lot of
so. That's my point of
examples.
view. Because
Ratul,
I
there are a
have been
lot
with
of
him for a very long
examples
time.
of great coaches who have not competed in
But they have
mixed
been
martial arts.
competing in some other different sports, right? If you talk about Greg
Not
Jackson,
always.
if you talk about Greg Jackson, Javier Mendez, if you talk about those guys, they are not MMA fighters, but some was a very reputed kickboxer at that time. Some was a very
Okay.
good striker at that time. They have a disciplined sport in their blood, right?
Okay, fair enough.
Fair enough. May I know any kind of discipline sports that Orko had, or any kind of discipline tournament Orko participated? I'm not talking about winning or losing. I'm just talking about participation. He participated, he fought, he understand the game is.
Okay,
I
so
hope not.
Orko, Ratul, that's a lot. Like, let's have Orko also try and respond to some of this.
Let's go with the
Yeah,
first
Orko,
point.
please
The
begin.
first point was that Orko, you were banned from his promotion. Is that what we were going over first?
Yeah,
That you felt
let's
you were
get
banned?
that get that over with.
Okay.
Now, all the podcasts that I've done and the means all the times I have spoke to you guys and the Instagram lives and wherever, I don't still remember that I have taken up the name Solar Warriors and said that Solar Warriors have banned me.
Yeah,
And
only
I always
recently
come
did I figure out that Ratul, you were associated with Solar
exactly.
Warriors. I've been seeing it on Locker Room
We,
in the last 2 days or so.
yes. So we can go on record, Ashwin, when we did the last
Correct.
podcast
Correct.
too, and when we did our last podcast with me 1 week back, I
Mhm.
never said that Soul of Warriors banned me. And when the ban culture comes in, now I think what Ratul said, it's pretty legit. That's what I've been saying all along, right? I'm an amateur team. Whether we are good, whether we are bad, whether my team's legit, whether they can do or not do, I'll let competitions and guys who have done this, who know,
Results.
yeah,
Yeah.
the guys who have done this know this, who have an eye for talent or know what I'm coaching and how I'm not coaching. They can decide that. I think I should not blow my own horn whether I'm legit or not. That beats the
Sure.
whole purpose.
Sure.
But now let's come. I have an amateur team, so none of my guys are pro guys.
Right.
And now if you're talking about Atit and all other people, Atit is a good friend of mine. Atit comes and trains. He's not exclusively a part of my team. I train him. If he wants to go fight anywhere, I have never stopped anybody to fight anywhere. Now, if because he is with me, he's not getting a fight, that's my whole problem, right? If somebody is associated with me and people are drawing personal references
Right.
and not giving them a fight,
That
that's
does
the whole
become an
problem.
issue.
And I
Correct.
think
We
Ratul
spoke
said
about
it very
this.
legitimately.
No,
So
we
when
spoke about
I
this
left,
also earlier.
yes. So when I left, a majority of the students leave. Now, to clarify this point, I left after Shiva. And
Mhm.
it was like after a year and a half that I left 360.
Okay.
And never in any of my podcasts or anywhere I'm speaking or till now, till date, I have gone record. I have never said that I'm never a part of that. I was a part of that team. I was a product of that team. I I came in, all the connections I made is because of that.
Right.
And that's
what I
that is
recalled
my
as
problem.
well. Right.
Yes, and that is my problem. When you're a part of something and when you have done so much being a part of that, and when you come out and when things are being said the way it's been said and things are being done the way it's been done, then you take it kind of personally, right? Now, as far as banning goes, exactly my point. I went out, Shiva was already operating. Some of them went and joined Shiva's gym. I never started a gym at that point of time because I was already working somewhere else. So I didn't have Combat Clan. Combat Clan only came into existence after a very, very long time.
Last year, 2 years ago.
No, 2 years back. If I'm not wrong, 2 years back. I don't really remember the time. I think end of 2017, if I'm not wrong, or mid of 2017. That's the time. And I left it, and I was happy with my job. I was a radio jockey, and I did so many shows, and I used to train personally. I used to go to Shibas. I used to train myself. I was an individual just training myself and doing my thing.
Okay.
And that's my whole problem. People left you. See, now this is where legitimacy comes in, right? Shiva left, I left, students left. That's their problem, not mine. They could not hold on to their students. That's their problem, not mine.
Right.
Right. And you are banning me, or let's not use the word ban because it's harsh. People are sensitive about that. If people are not allowing me because they have a personal vendetta against me in local championships, which is grappling, kickboxing, vagera, vagera, again, amateur nature. I'm not talking about pro. If they are not allowing me to do that, very good friend of Ratul's, he has a good relationship with 360. He can go and ask them. If that's happening, that's my whole question. And I think Ratul proves that point, that what I've been saying all along, right? It's a personal vendetta that they are putting in the sport. Well, when I organize something, I didn't say that don't come in. When I organize seminars, I don't say don't come in. Come in, let's enjoy, let's have fun. Personal, professional, separate. Simple as that.
His second point was that you have no combat background and your guys are not good enough. Is that correct, Ratul? Am I summing it up correctly?
Yeah.
We don't want to be good enough to anyways to fight in SOW. We have higher goals.
Well, no, correction. I am not talking about SOW. You guys went to amateur and they lost.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the amateur programs. I'm not talking about the professionals being SOW, be it any other promotions in the world.
It's not, first of all, let me speak. I didn't speak when you were speaking. So, second of all, when you say that my guys lost, and yes, from all my losses, for all my wins, I'm very public about it.
You're quite open about it, and you haven't shied away.
I've never. And in the first thing, I remember the first question Ashwin ever asked me about, why you don't fight. I'm shit afraid of it. I don't compete. Simple. And
I mean, you can have your personal reasons.
I can have my personal reasons not to fight. Whether I have competed at all, yes, I have competed. It's not that I haven't competed. You can go ask your good friends at 360. I think they still have my certificates there. I fought combat jiu-jitsu at that point of time. I fought a couple of jiu-jitsu matches. I fought kickboxing. I was terrifically bad at it, but who cares at that point?
I mean, I just want to go off on the point about good coaches not have competed themselves. Ratul, you mentioned you've had one MMA fight. Is that correct?
Yep.
That's not very different from what Shiba has as well. I would say you guys are competition-wise.
To be correct, I never wanted to be a coach. I never wanted to be a fighter.
He's a promoter. He's a promoter.
I never wanted to be. I always wanted to be walk behind the screens because I did it. I want to understand what's the thing that an athlete had to go to, and somebody told me, okay, you have to go. They forced me, and I was my adrenaline rush was going high. So okay, chalo, let's do it. That's what the thing is.
So
it was not my intention to be an athlete. Never ever.
Right.
So
Mohit.
No,
please finish your point. Then I'd like to just
So now comes the eternal point that my guys are good enough. My guys aren't good enough because they lost. I don't know in which sport we can actually have a parameter that if you have lost, you're not good. If you're not losing, you're not trying enough and going to high level competitions. And all my 3 losses of my team now when we are discussing losses, came against Ashwin's boys. And I will go on record, the moment my guys lost, I gave a call to Ashwin and I said, kudos to you guys.
And I haven't fought MMA yet.
Yeah, so he trains MMA guys. He hasn't fought MMA yet. And on top of that, that was one tournament I came in and said my guys lost.
Correct.
I could have come in and said that my guys have won.
No, Ratul mentioned that. Ratul gave you that.
My guys have won too. We have YFC wins.
Right.
We won 2 YFCs.
Mm-hmm. 2 in YFC.
I did.
So I know this shit about the YFC history. My guys were also there. A couple of guys were visiting that thing. They were not fighting. Don't worry. They're not fighting.
They were not fighting. So ask them.
Huh?
Not my problem.
Not fighting. In fact, they were not the participants or the fighters were fighting in
that's what I'm saying. There. I don't care about who knows about my wins and who knows about my losses.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just what my goal as to whether I can run a good team or not is me helping these amateurs do well in their amateur career so that they can turn pro. Whether they want to do it from my team or somebody else's team, that's up to them. My job is to train fighters. And when they, if and so they want to come and tell me, okay, please manage my career too, because I have the education to back that management up, that's up to them. And that's up to me to accept whether I would do.
Dude, you can, I'm not stopping you to manage, I'm not stopping you to coaching, but when the time you go up and say the victim cards, that pisses me off.
No. Where did I play the victim card? That's my point. Where did I?
Like it's not a. Well, again, I'll come.
Where did I play the victim? Did I cry about Did I cry about Partho banning me? Or sorry, we won't use that word ban because it's hurt sentence.
Okay, so I have a question here.
Ratul, what do you mean by victim card here? What do you exactly refer to?
Yeah, exactly my question.
Sorry,
the victim card. What did you mean by victim card exactly? What are you referring to?
What is victim card? He's not getting fights. He's getting bets. That's a victim card. It's karma.
Okay,
you understand.
On that point. Okay,
understand, Ashwin, one thing. Ashwin, one thing. I form whatever. Suppose, for example, I run a promotion, right? I have somebody as my matchmaker. My matchmaker is there, who is very loyal to me. I trust him. He look after my interest. I look after his interest, right? So both of we are on a mutual benefit thing.
Okay.
When we are going like this, and all of a sudden, I come to know majority of my fighters have been drafted to another contracts, have been formed in another promotion. They are there, and on the very next day or a couple of months, he was unable to run that thing, or he was unable to run that promotion, and he wants those fighters to be signed by me. And if I say no, I won't. Does that mean I'm banning him? Or does that mean if I don't want to work with that
no, that's your right. You have the right to refuse to work with whoever you want to.
Then that's not banning. If they're refusing, you have to listen their story as well. If you are refusing, that's not banning. It's a karma.
No. So what his point is, you're purposely not giving opportunities to his fighters. That's what he means by banning. Is that correct?
Purposely, I am not the one who is not giving the opportunities. If they are giving it, they have
he's talking about
amateur state kickboxing.
He's talking on behalf of someone else.
Competitions. He can take NOC from this state region and he can go and participate via any other states. As simple as that. The amateur section works like this.
Right. You're right. You're correct. That's correct.
No, listen, complete me. Allow me to complete, Orko. If you are not getting the chance in Kolkata in kickboxing, not Partho runs the kickboxing. There are 2 other organizations who runs kickboxing. There is
I'm a part of one of them. So
you're a part of one of them. Again, you are crying. Again, he was telling Ashwin that your guys are getting banned because Partho is not giving you the chance. If you are a part of the kickboxing, then you should promote your fighters over there. Or else, if you want to participate in grappling, just take an NOC. Partho will happily give an NOC that, okay, I don't give up.
Why?
And you can.
Why would I take an NOC from him? Who is he?
He is the state secretary, dude. So if you have to participate in grappling, I'm not talking about the jujitsu thing.
My exact point. This is what
okay, so I would like to interject. I would just like to interject here, Ratul. I have met Partho at several competitions, and he's a very nice gentleman. But I would just like to know what is his background in grappling that gives him, for example, being the state secretary of. Because I saw his guys and none too impressive. So by that logic, all I'm saying is like, if somebody like I make a federation tomorrow.
I mean, Mohit, you also have a different standard for grappling, so maybe
No, I'm just,
explain.
what I was just trying to allude to is that if within the same state I make a federation and I don't invite the cross-trained guys to compete, for example, that would be a fucking travesty, right? Like from a point of competition, from a point of promotion,
Fair
from
play.
a point of fair play. So at least, like as a promoter, should you not consider one of Orko's guys as possibly somebody to be on Solo Warriors? Or you can keep the vendetta that he's, not
No,
good
so
enough.
I think
It's
Ratul already
not a
clarified
vendetta.
No,
that.
I
Already
now
clarified
this is
that.
yeah. So Solo Warriors is not.
He's not
We are
talking
not
about Solo
having
Warriors.
this. Yes.
We
so
are
we are
talking
not
using it as
about
an
the
example.
we're talking about the grappling federation tournaments in
It's,
Kolkata,
and I name it. It's
which
a
Ratul
Bengal
mentioned,
Grappling Association run by
Ratul
Mr. Partha
mentioned,
Sarathi Sarkar.
which Ratul mentioned that Orko would have to take an NOC. Now, him having to take an NOC would literally allude to the same point that he is banned.
Exactly.
Which means
Exactly.
it's a lot of
It's-
runaround, Ratul.
No,
to
no.
be honest.
Now let me make this point, Ashwin. Now
Okay.
here's why it is different if Ratul says that I won't allow Orko's guys to fight, and why it is different that when Partho says, okay, none of your guys will fight. A, you might be banned. B,
Go ahead.
you might not have an affiliation. C, you might not be
Whatever
qualified
technical
enough.
reason there is,
Whatever
sure.
technical reason it might be, we are covering all that in a generalized manner. Now, if Ratul says your guys cannot fight, I'm going to go after Ratul and say, okay, why you are not? He runs a private organization. He is a promoter, and it's his private right to actually say
refuse the right
refuse
have
to
anyone.
right to compete.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Done, right?
Yeah.
So he says no, and
So
he says my
Ratul's-
guys are not good enough.
So
and
let me
it's
just let me summarize what you're going to. I mean, Atul has total jurisdiction of disregarding whoever he wants
Exactly.
to, but the
Exactly.
state federation does not.
Now, when you
For
say
obvious
when
reasons.
when you add that word, I'm a Bengal Grappling Association.
No,
Bengal.
when you have there's
so
some
you're
integrity that
answerable
would
to
go
me
into
why
it,
you're
correct?
banning me, right?
No, there's some integrity that goes into it when you're almost
state.
you're basically a government organization almost, right?
So if
Yeah.
the government has an RTI, right to information, I also have a right to information. Why my guys will not? And if give it to me in mail, I have a personal vendetta against you. I will not allow you to fight. Done.
I mean, there are tons of reasons I can come up with and say I don't want
Done.
Orko. If I was a state secretary, I could just say, listen, hey man, you got bad attitude as a coach,
Yeah.
and you're out, right? That's how it works. But unfortunately, you haven't been told that face to face, correct?
No, I know. Okay, and now
Fair.
if they and that's not
okay.
very tense, Ashwin. That's not very tense. If today, because if today they are coming in and saying that I'm not legit, I can't coach, they need to actually give me a reason with evidence that why I can't. If they are telling me I have bad attitude, if questioning somebody, it's like questioning, if I am questioning you because you are a publicly run body, and just because you don't like my attitude, you are going to say that I'm bad. Doesn't work like that. Give me an evidence why am I bad. And if you are telling my good team is not good enough, dude, we fought ADCCs since the time it has been conceptualized. We have fought all of them. I don't know whether we have a medal. I have to go check. I think we have bronzes, but I don't keep counts of the medals because that hardly matters.
I mean, I did the medals
Because
at ADCC. One second.
Medals, right?
ADCC
What I'm talking
India.
about,
Guys,
what I'm talking
can I
about,
say something? Please, can I say something?
Yeah.
ADCC India medals do not count. I won the open weight division.
Yeah.
Winning all
So
my
I don't
matches
give
by
a count, right?
submission. It means nothing. I promise you. Neither do most of these federation medals.
So I don't count.
But as a scale to recognize good athletes in the country, that's when it comes into play, which is you're correct in assuming if you have medaled and if you have athletes that have medaled, then I would say you have some sort of legitimacy
Exactly.
being a local tournament.
Now, as far Ratul said that if I'm a part of, see, I'm also a part of MMA Federation. I'm also recently a part of Kickboxing Federation.
Right.
Just because
which
I'm a
MMA
part
federation
of
you're a
something,
part of? All India Mixed Martial Arts Federation. Which federation? Now that's not the name.
Which one is it? Orko?
All
There
India
are three
Mixed Martial Arts
federations running,
Federation.
right?
What?
All India Mixed Martial Arts Federation? IMF,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
AIMMF.
Yes.
That's
What about you,
dismantled,
Ratul?
bro.
Are you
They
part of?
ain't
not
working
what?
anymore.
Well, that's okay. We'll get to that in a second.
No,
But
no,
Ratul,
what-
are you,
what
are you
did you
part
just
of
say?
any federation?
They ain't working anymore. They're working with Gamma. That lost their value, man.
come on, man. We are not talking about value. If I am talking about value, then you are of no value to me at this conversation at this
No,
point of
let's
time.
not
and waste
get
my
to
time.
that. Let's not. No, let's
No.
not get to that for a second. Ratul, are you part of any federation at the moment? Because I'm sure SOW does have to get some kind of body
Yeah,
involved.
we just fixed up with the sanctioning bodies. The deal has been done, but once the official things are done, we'll reveal the sanctioning body. It's one of the
Okay,
very
fair
reputed.
enough. Fair enough.
So, but he has
Okay.
he already has 3 SOWs. What, two SOWs done, Ratul? If I'm not wrong, I
Yeah.
don't keep count. 2
Yeah.
SOWs, right?
Yeah.
Somebody was sanctioning that also, right?
Nobody was sanctioning. That was captive. So we are putting the sanctioning team on board right now.
So
Because
you had
how does
two,
that work?
So you have 2 promotions without sanctions.
Dude,
These-
do you really count this sanctioning in India works? Trust me.
Wow.
Because I am putting the sanctioning body of the ref things for the referees, because those
So your referees are sanctioned.
for the sanctions, because will the sanctioning body provide me doctors? Will the sanctioning body provide me the hospitals? Like, if you're talking about
Unlikely.
sanctionings,
Unlikely.
I understand.
Judges
I have
and
been working
referees
with
is
this.
what sanctioning
Look,
bodies.
I have
So
been working
that
with
that doesn't,
primarily.
in the entire world, sanctioning
Dude.
body's job is to sanction and give judges and referees nothing else.
Dude, Arco, dude, come back to India. If you're talking about sanctioning bodies, you're talking about the sanctioning upon the idea based in the United States. If you're going to talk about United States sanctioning things, talk on that forum. Because
Even United States sanctioning bodies are not on par. I would think if you're going to United States boxing sanctioning bodies, then we would talk.
no, if I like, I am really planning to put events in the United States by next year. So yeah, we are in talk with the sanctioning bodies over there. So that's why I came to know how the sanctioning body works and what their role is. So when I see the sanctioning bodies in India, how they're operating, so it's pity. But when I'm talking to him, because why I'm having the sanctioning bodies right now, I need to have, because the roster of fighters are good. They're good fighters, and for that I need very good refs.
So
Very
you've
good
run
refs.
how
Or
many
else
how many SOW cards have you put up? 2 so far, you're saying?
right now, like in my entire career, I have promoted more than 242 fights. Exactly.
No, I'm talking about unsanctioned.
It's not unsanctioned. How can you say it's unsanctioned?
I'm asking you because you just mentioned yourself. I'm not making any accusations. I'm asking you what the status
Nothing is
was.
unsanctioned. When you talk about sanctioning, you have to understand, if a government, MMA is not a recognized sport in India. Ministry of Sports haven't recognized it. Once it's recognized, and if I don't go with the Ministry of Sports guidelines, then it's unsanctioned.
Correct.
But when I go, if it's a private running body, and if you go with the sanctioning bodies around here, which 3 are established, none of them but overseas by the government of India and Ministry of Sport Affairs. In fact,
what about referees and judges? Where are you pulling those from?
That, yes. So for me, refs are the important factors. So I don't think I always say to fighters, don't give it out to the judges. Finish the fight in the ring.
No, that's a known fact, but referees. So, I mean, we see national body referees in our country who are not on point. So where are you finding your referees from?
We are talking with the sanctionings and everything. So the sanctioning body will be on board. So whenever somebody talks about sanctioning, the sanctions works only at that time when Government of India will legalize MMA. It is known as entertainment sports, not an alternate or a real sport. So
sure, but a lot of the sanctioning bodies are recognized by the government, which is why they're called sanctioning bodies, and which is why they.
No. There's not a single body which has been recognized by the government. If you need to recognize by the government, because I've been working, I got a lot of letters that I'll show you the letter last year from the undersecretary from the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. They said they haven't recognized MMA as a sport. If we need to operate it, we need to drop them and knowledge that we are operating. So whenever I'm doing an event, I'm putting foreign fighters in. They are on proper visas. Be it Boom, be it SOW. International fighters, they're on proper visas. You won't believe. Call up my matchmaker. He'll forward your passport. And
I believe you. I have no reason to not believe you.
For an example, when he'll forward you to pick a passport on the visa, it was a conditional visa for 7 days, and
it's
over there it has been written to attend this and such particular event. Okay, so these are done. When I have foreign fighters, be it Afghanis, be it Bangladeshis, when I have in my venue, trust me, FRRO, Foreign Reservation Officers, are there to see whether these athletes are on paper or not. So when you say not sanctions, doesn't matter, because all my papers and all the athletes' paperwork have been approved by the Ministry of External Affairs, be it Bangladesh or be it Afghanis. They are on legit papers. If I'm promoting MMA, my papers, the applications are going down.
I'm not even crediting that, discrediting that at all. What my worry is, and this is as a recent coach and as a fan, is referees, because referees are hard to come by, especially in this country. Good referees.
So you can check those referees out in SOW3. It will be happening soon by within 1 month or half. So you can check out the referees. It will be live.
That's awesome.
It will be live, and you can check out the referees and the level of refereeing and the level of fights.
So where's this card being held? Where's the card being held? Kolkata?
Yeah, it will be in Bengal, but the venue is not yet fixed due to this COVID things. Maybe it will be in Kolkata, maybe in any part or any other cities in West Bengal. But yes, we are going to have it within next 1 month or a half.
That's
we
exciting.
have not yet talked with the venue.
I look forward to seeing that. Yeah, for sure.
But because यहाँ पे जो venues है वो COVID के लिए सारे blocked हैं, so मेरे को venues के लिए operate करने होंगे, तो maybe वही venue होगा, वरना कोई भी और एक venue in West Bengal. I don't know if it will be in Kolkata or some, but maybe it will be in West Bengal, maybe in any other cities.
Okay, so that leads me to my next question, Ratul. So who's vetting these referees and judges?
So
who's vetting these? Who's checking them? Who's hiring them? Is it you? Is it your matchmakers?
We have just signed a deal. We have just signed a deal with the one of the very reputed sanctioning committee. So once everything is perfect, we'll release it and you can check it out. If you have any doubts, then you can raise the questions. But hopefully within next 1 week or 2 weeks, we'll drop the details of our sanctioning committee and everything. Who are sanctioning it, who are observing it, who are the referees, and who is going to be the match commissioners. Everybody will be there. The details will be uploaded in next a week and a half.
You just mentioned to me that the sanctions don't really matter. So I'm presuming this body is an experienced body with a lot of experience, so that they can really look at the judges and referees.
That's why we took the sanction body this time.
Okay.
We didn't want the sanction body in SOW2 and SOW1 because we know the fight card, we know the fighters, we know okay it can be controllable. But on the other hand, everything was
that's an interesting assumption to make, that things can be controlled, because I have white belts who go up against each other who can cause more injuries to each other than black belts can. The lower the level, the more injuries can happen.
again the referees I had earlier, they were quite learned. They have been working for a very long time, so I had my trust over them.
Fair enough.
So and I have been seeing them refereeing for a very long time. So now, why we did it? Why we took a sanctioning body this time? Because for the quality of athletes, we have drastically changed the.
Let's just say it looks better for the promotion, correct?
Better for the promotion, better for the a good referee, there will be a mismanagement, less chances of mismanagement.
Why not have world class all over, right? That's it. I understand.
Yeah. Why not the best?
Absolutely.
Indian. I'm gonna just thing is, we need to put a competition, right? We need to judge ourselves. So I'm gonna set up a benchmark for myself. If you compare the production value of SOW1 and SOW2, it was like hell and heaven difference. It was Assam was a miniature. It was going to be big, and again SOW is going to be a hell lot of a big. So yeah, we are.
So are you planning to be? Ourselves. Are you planning to be stiff competition for MFN?
No, again, MFN is something different, and our motto is something different. So we have two different business ideologies. We have two business playbooks. So not competing, but yeah, I'm trying to make. I just don't want that 1% of the Indian community who follows. That's the MMA community. I need that 100% of the Indian community. So I'm working for the 1 billion target. So maybe not now.
Like a celebrity.
In the next 10 years, I'll be able to reach the 1 billion viewers from India. In the next 10 years, that's the target.
The celebrity card. The celebrity card has to come into play. The celebrity card.
I have worked with Daniel Isaac earlier. I have worked with Aditya. So I have things. So I have learned from them. In fact, before I turned a promoter, I have 10 failed events. I planned, but it didn't happen. So I have a lot of failure experience before I put up my first event. And that's when I was in Calcutta Judo Club. It's just a smoker kind of a thing in early 2012. Okay. And again, we didn't have fun. So
we've spoken about this actually, three of us.
Yeah, we didn't.
Myself and Mohit.
We didn't have funds. So what we did, we went back underground. So we didn't have funds at that time. Nobody knows. Everybody was like, oh, it's WWE. We are not interested. No, it's MMA, something very different. No, we are not. So, okay. So we went back. There was a ghetto garage, at a filthy garage with a lot of ages outside, and we said, okay, put up a mat and let's start a fight club thing.
Yeah, I think
Okay,
we've seen some
every
footage
Saturday
of
there are
that.
fights, and we just put a shutter on, 50 rupees, and shut it down. So 10 guys as a viewers, we started it, and 13, 14 we ran like 10 or 15 shows. Luckily, nobody was injured, no serious injuries. Yeah, there was a little bit of crack and stitches were there, but no serious injuries. Trust me, nobody blasted their heads. No serious. On 2015, we went. We got the ring and all. 2016, we got cages. We got associated lot of organizations. 2017, we rapidly, increasing our number of events. So yeah.
So it's fair to
It's a
say you
long
take
term. I started in
your name
2006
very
exactly.
seriously.
It's been a decade been working, and today what we are here, and I'm just I got pissed when I come to listen, when just last time और ने आप लोगों का podcast में मेरे बारे में बोला तो खराब लगा, क्योंकि because मैंने और में कभी कुछ बोला नहीं, मेरे को बोलने का था नहीं, लिख के बाहर अचानक बोला, मेरा जला, अब जला, फिर वक्त नहीं मिला, फिर मेरे को मेरे बंदे ने लिंक भेजा कि भाई ये तू देख, फिर से बैनिंग वाला गाना आ गया, और मेरे को एक बंदा ने
See, Ratul, I have not.
6 से 7
See,
बंदे
Ratul,
ने
let me get one thing straight. I don't like you.
I don't like you either.
So
I
I
mean,
don't
guys,
like you. I don't like you.
Guys, one second, guys.
Let's not turn this personal.
It's fair to assume that you both
yes.
don't like each other
Yes,
at all.
this is not the platform where we actually get personal. But
I don't like Ashwin. He doesn't like me.
Yeah, so
Absolutely.
yeah, we don't like Mohit.
Yeah,
but that's completely okay.
It's fine.
It's fine. But let's get one thing straight. For all the places that when we are talking about getting banned, I've never taken your name, the banning, and SOW in the same sentence. I've never said Ratul. Come on, again. You were speaking. Did I interrupt and did I say anything? Now let me explain. And the allegations, the so-called allegations that you have made, and you have this wondrous skill, if I might say, to turn a conversation about your narcissistic self always when it comes to pass. Because the topic of this whole conversation was something different. You turned it to something different. Now coming back to you, what you just said, that I work with All India Mixed Martial Arts, they are not working anymore. Dude, I am a part of that federation. I know whether it's working or not. It's like you are telling me my company is not working. Oh, I heard they ran out of business. Dude,
I was the joint secretary of the commission. Come on, fuck it off.
Again.
I was the joint secretary. I was the founder joint secretary of that particular commission, man.
I don't give answers about that. You're not here. So can you just
put
fair enough. Cork in it?
You have a better idea of what's happening with the organization.
Yes, can you just put a cork in it? I'm not going and telling you how SOW works. Don't tell me how All India Mixed Martial Arts Federation works. Fair enough. And when you're talking about will a sanctioning body give you ambulances? They don't in the world. Will they give you refs? They do. And will they give you judges? They will. Because that's how the federation that I work for does. Now, for an example being said, All India Mixed Martial Arts, wow, that's shiny. All India Mixed Martial Arts Federation. Let me laugh first. Then, yes, I just controlled my laughter. Yes, so when we were in IIHF in Bombay, where Rahul Thapa was fighting, you can, check with Rahul. When we were fighting in IIHF in Bombay, there was a standing ambulance. There were judges from the federation. There were referees from the federation. Mr. Sham Prasad, Abdul Munir, myself, we were there. Most teams, you had Vignesh there participating. You had Jitendra Khari's team that was participating. You have Mr. Mohit Arya, who is a signed athlete with SOW participating there. So you can ask him that whether there were judges and whether there was medical team on standby. That's what we do, right? The medical team is supposedly to be provided by the promoter. That's how it works. We come in as a federation, again, as an amateur federation. I'm not talking about pro. If you ask from us, that's a different thing. There has to be a whole different work and model to that. Now, if we are coming and sanctioning, like when I'm sure I would have amateur events or semi-pro events sometime in the future in West Bengal. And so I have to go to the body, right? To All India Mixed Martial Arts, and give me a sanction. First thing they would say, okay, where are you doing the fights? Whether it's a cage or a ring, right? Now they will check up with their policies that they have with the world body that they are assigned to, whether it can be done. And when they do it, they will give me a certain set of rules. Okay, this is the way you're going to hire the referees. This is the way you're going to get the judges, and this is what we are going to do for you.
If not provided themselves.
Yeah. So now by the federation, I have to bring in the referees they tell me, so that there is no conflict of interest. I cannot run a promotion, amateur or pro, and have the people I know rest.
Yeah, conflict of interest right there. Like if I'm the ref, my guys are fighting. That's
exactly.
Now
whether we are an entertainment sport, whether we are not legit, whether we are not recognized as a legit sport, doesn't mean that we don't do everything by the book. It only goes to show that most people are not ready enough to do everything by the book. And if we keep doing this, nobody will recognize as a sport anymore. So that being said, now referees come, judges come, and All India Mixed Martial Arts Federation, that's how they work. I cannot be a chief judge or a technical official in my own state, in my own
but that's Orco exclusive to your federation. A lot of them
see, I don't know how others work. I have never been a part of any. I'm not a big association guy.
You're spoiled in that manner. So
yeah, see, I have not been a part of many. People don't like me in association.
You guys are doing it the right way. That's good.
Yeah, and they are doing it the right way, Ashwin. There is a reason, because there is a committee.
Right.
There is a committee which takes the call.
Fair enough.
Aditya PS is the president. Abdul Munir is the general secretary. I'm also in the technical body. Do I have a designation? Don't need one, but I work with them. And I work with them to get these rules into place.
That's your point with sanctioning. Cool, fair enough.
Yeah, that's my point with sanctioning. Now, though I know that the whole conversation was about something different, that me calling Ratul out, I didn't call Ratul out.
You called me out, dude.
Come on, dude.
Come on. Last year
I have not finished. If I want to call you.
Don't do this bitch crying things, but because you call me or you use a name in podcast, in Sid's podcast, in a leverage last year, I cannot complete a sentence without fumbling and everything.
No, come on.
I have heard all those.
Will you let me finish?
What a stalwart.
Will you let me finish? I'm not as narcissistic. Come on, I'm not a narcissist. I'm not as narcissistic as you that I will tell and go all people. I'm the stalwart and I did the pioneer stuff here in Kolkata. No, I'm not. I don't own the freaking MMA business here, and I just run a small time gym. And if you think my guys are not legit enough, don't even have that conversation for the person who has not even stepped into a gym and trained people.
I can't hear you.
And you're talking to people who I have more conversation with than you.
I don't need to talk to you, man. I just hate you as much as I love to hate you.
Oh, thank you. I really need it. I care for your feelings. Yeah.
I mean,
but the thing is this: the way you keep bitch crying and you come
I'm not bitch crying.
They keep banning me.
Ashwin, this is your podcast. Do I even have the permission to talk my heart out, because I'm holding back?
You are not a great manager. You are unable to place your guys anywhere in a fucking part of India, in any other fucking promotions, be it in any other fucking amateur promotions, because not like this, because you are a fucking failure. You are not good at what you do, man. You can do the shit out that it's whatever you want to do. But who are you? You did lockdown. My guys were there. It sucked. What was the second event for the MMA thing, huh? For the jiu-jitsu things. कहाँ है second event तुम्हारा? सिर्फ Instagram में क्या lecture मारते हो? Where are this? और तुम बोलते you keep bitch crying like everybody keeps banning me. Nobody keeps banning you. Nobody wants to work with you.
Oh, thank God, that's clarity. Exactly what I want. Nobody wants to work with.
Yes,
and
Ratul, why is that? Why do you think
I take that as a sign of success?
Okay, one second.
I know you better than anybody knows you. I know you better than anybody knows you.
Ratul, why does nobody want to work?
You're better than my wife, man.
What?
Ratul, why
you know
does
me better than anybody knows you're better than my wife.
Dude, you've been banging your wife, so your wife.
Okay, let's guys.
Come on, down, you come in front of me, I'll bang your ass.
Ratul.
I'm sure that you'll know better. I'll show you better.
This low-life piece of shit is saying all this. Come on,
Ratul, let's not get personal here.
Okay,
I mean, this is pointless.
Dude,
if you get personal,
couple of years ago, you had made a fake ID of your wife's name, and you started saying that I have done that fake ID. Nah, that's not my job, because if your fake ID, or less the cybercrime was at your disposal, you haven't done that. If you could have done that, why didn't you? अगर मेरा बीबी को कोई बोला होता ना कि मेरा बीबी को said I was in Bangalore in 2019. There was a guy who just abused my wife.
Yes,
we just shook up the cybercrime of Kolkata, and I just अब
This
तुम्हारे
is
बीवी
on
को लेके मैंने
record.
बोला है,
I have not, I didn't get out of line because this is your podcast, man.
dude, you are a dick. You are a dick. You know
No,
that.
Ratul, let's just maintain some
Thank
sort
you.
of decorum, please.
Bless
Because
you.
I'm trying to maintain.
it makes
Thank
no
you.
sense to get down that line because
I'm just sick
It
and
makes
tired.
no
Like,
sense,
Ashwin,
Ratul.
all due respect,
Don't
you,
make
you
it.
guys, I know
Don't make
what
it
you're
personal. This is.
let's just speak.
Don't
not
make
going
it personal.
Stick to the
This
facts.
is not. This is their platform.
You just brought
This
your
is not
wife in.
about you.
I never talked about your wife. You taking, you know better.
No, he
you know
meant
me better
something
than my wife.
else. He meant something else entirely, Ratul.
Are you-
You misheard probably.
Can you understand what a figure of speech is? I know you are not that learned. You have not had
Dude,
that much
don't
of
talk about
education
learning
and grammar
things.
knowledge.
I
But it
think
was a figure of
my
speech.
action works louder than what I
Oh
say.
damn, man!
Okay.
You
Anyway,
see,
मेरा तो सही है.
Guys, cool
You
off,
see,
cool off.
I
Let's
am cool, man. This is
it,
way cool.
it makes no sense because if we start going down that line, it just gets.
let's wind this up in a way where we
So,
can
no,
all
let's-
be.
No.
I
Let's
have
not
some
wind this up. Let's have a
Let's not wind it up.
let's have a mature.
Let's just maintain
Let's
some
have a
decorum.
mature
Let's have
conversation.
Let's
Let's
have
keep it between me and him.
You boys.
Let's keep it between you and me, and let's not pull any of our.
So the thing is,
You
this,
know,
I can
family
see like
Let's do that, please.
Yes,
technical-
let's not go there.
But
Let's
to
not
be
go there,
honest,
man.
but to be honest, if you say, if you why didn't like you are saying, you can fuck up anyone, you can go to any gym, you can fuck up that gym, you can come out.
Where did I say
and
that?
you will ask that particular association to allow your guys to
Where
play.
did I say that?
You fucked up Partho's gym, man. You fucked up Partho's gym. You fucked
Thank
up
God, some
Partho's-
clarity again.
Okay, so what do you
Keep
mean by hang on,
continuing,
Arko, hang on. Ratul, what
Ah.
do you mean specifically he fucked up Partho's gym?
Dude, the room, the entire story is this. Or after it was planned, Shiva left, and within a 1.5 year, Orko left the gym with the remaining student. It was mind washed. And later on, Orko and his teams have sent a lot of screenshots, sent a lot of messages, and start to tell Partho, which have been officially documented and have checked in front of my eyes. That Partho showed me, okay, these are the things done. So when there's one side of the story,
What did they
there's
do?
al-
What did they do?
truth
What
is
did
only
they
one
do?
side of the coin. So you have to check both the sides.
What
dude.
did they
Who-
do? I'm
I
asking
don't
you, like,
understand. I don't
we
understand.
because we don't have any. Listen, we have
We have no reference.
zero
Orko
context.
just took the team. Orko sabotaged the team. He moved out. After that, after that, when the kickboxing shit was happening, he was extremely desperate to put his guys in, or else he's gonna lose up his guys. He was in the team that Orko told that this guys he's fought in YFC. Partho escorted those guys. He sent those guys back to Partho. Partho paid for their travel tickets. That guy those two fucking motherfucker went over there, fought, and when
Come on.
Partho went over there, Orko said he's representing their gym, and when Partho said, why did you come down to me and get those train tickets done? So there are a lot of shits. When Orko think he don't have funds, he sent the guys to Partho. It happened.
Orko,
It
is
is
this the
open secret,
time
dude.
you
There are
told me
3 gyms
about?
operating in Kolkata. It's open secret. One is you, one is Partho, one is AO. It's open secret. I'm the fucking promoter. And what kind of fucking promoter I am? I am promoting events in my state, in my fucking hometown, without having any guys from my city. Why? Because shits like you. Because guys like you. Because whenever we came to talk, whenever I thought we might have a conversation during the Fit Expo, every time you fucked up. Every time you want to show your attitude, you want to show that you know the fucking shits. You don't know nothing, Orko. Because if you have known,
Ashwin, when did I even
said
throw
you
an
were the
attitude
flag
here, man?
bearer
I
of
was just keeping
flag
quiet,
bearer of the
minding my
non-trust
own
of
shit.
MMA.
This
Then
guy
you should
cannot
have
handle
done
a
that.
figure of speech.
You
It's
haven't
not my
quit
problem.
anything, dude. You run a gym, you
I am on the
run
same
great,
page,
okay,
bro.
you run a certain set of team, but what's that? You say my guys don't win, everybody doesn't win, but one will win. Fuck, nobody will win the gold, but one will win the gold. Ashwin said, we celebrate mediocrity. We don't want love to celebrate mediocrity, as Ashwin said that in the morning. So when you guys just won a bronze, and I never saw that you won a silver. Your guys never won a gold. And trainings, and let me talk about your trainings. For how many long years you have been a blue belt? कितने साल हो गया तुमको blue belt बने हुए? How many years?
I mean, that doesn't really matter because Mohit's
Dude,
also been a
trust
blue
me,
belt.
trust me.
For life,
You guys are rolling. Mohit, you guys are rolling. Look, listen to
Okay,
me. There's a
tell me
logic
when this is
behind it.
over. Okay.
You guys are rolling. You guys are rolling your training
Yes,
exchange.
sure.
Whom he is rolling? Calcutta में जुजू किसको आता है?
Shiba.
किसको आता है
Blue belt
रे?
एक वो है,
Debayan.
उसके अलावा किसको आता है?
Shiba,
Debayan.
Debayan,
Who
Aditya
are they?
Saha.
देवाया ने जुजुत्सु रनिस
Atit.
वो जुजुत्सु रनिस के बाद मैंने कभी देवायन से नहीं मिला. मेरे SOW2 तक
यार
SOW2 तक
we've heard a lot, like okay,
हाँ,
so
मैं बता रहा
as
हूँ
far
तुमको।
as okay, so just one thing, in training terms and all that shit, like as far as we've heard from the people we've spoken to, Orko seems like he's doing most of the right things, if not all the right things in training, right? As far as we know. So, what is the real issue here? Like that, when you're saying he's not good, now as a coach, like, dude, all coaches that are doing this are developing themselves as athletes and are developing their skills in
No,
coaching.
their athletes have all lost. I mean,
Yeah, their athletes have all lost as well. So it's a
Yeah.
process for coaches, athletes to learn, try, get better, see what works, train harder, etc., etc. So
one time,
you can't say
two
at this
time,
May I come
point in
into the
time.
conversation?
time,
No,
एक
but
बार, दो बार,
just
तीन
to
बार।
answer your question, Kolkata does have a lot of jiu-jitsu talent. And because I've done my recon work, I mean, I've done my recon work on this as well.
I know 3 or 4.
There you
That's
go.
all you need, man. Like even in a small city or a big
Even
city,
with our city, like Delhi and Gurgaon,
5
I feel
people.
around 5-6 people is what you
That's
get.
it. And then everybody else learns from those 5-6 people, and that's how it's got to be. You will not
वैसी
have.
शुरुआत तो वैसी होती है रतुल भाई.
बस सर शुरुआत वैसी होती है ना सर, 10 साल पहले से शुरुआत किया तब जाके यहाँ पहुंचे। मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो उसके हर बंदे को गोल्ड लाना है, हर बंदे को नेशनल क्वालिफाइड होना है, हर
आप
बंदे
कह
को
रहे हो
वर्ल्ड
कि एक
चैंपियनशिप
को
खेलना है।
लाना है, आप कह रहे हो
ये
एक को
नहीं बोल
लाना
रहा
है.
हूँ मैं, ये बोलूँ उसके अगर उसका XY 10 बंदे पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, उसमें से मेरे को उम्मीद लगता है कि एटलीस्ट 2 गोल्ड
He'll get there for sure.
होल्डर्स
That's
होंगे।
coming. It's coming. He's got very few athletes at the moment. That's how it works.
ये नहीं होता है। और को अगर मैं और को जो बोलता है, देखो ऐसा प्रोफेशनल्स अगर वो MHS का बात बोल रहा है तो MMA सर्किट में उसके जहाँ MHS में जाना है जाए, प्रो में मैं ओपन बोलता आई हेट ऑर्को। वो सामने आए तो मार दूं, सामने आए तो खून कर दूं। आई हैव माय लॉयर्स, आई विल बाय द लॉ, आई विल बाय द कोर्ट। इतना औकात है, उसको मार दूं। वो सामने आए तो वो कभी
Put him on one of your cards with you, man. Like that's the fight. Like you
trust
outsell
me,
Mayweather.
I want to unleash my cannibalism upon him. I want to, I want to take his
You're
blood
saying you
and
want to eat
mess
him.
with it. I'm just so furious. His face makes me infuriate beyond words. Trust me, guys. I just want to fuck up his life once it comes on.
So then,
what is
Ratul, how can you say it's not a personal vendetta? Ratul, how can you say it's
exactly?
How can you say it's not a personal
Man, it's
vendetta?
not my
One
problem.
second.
You don't like my pretty
Orko,
face.
Orko, you'd agree it's a
इतना
personal
गुस्सा
vendetta
हो
from
रहा
your
है
end.
यार तू इसको देख तू इतना गुस्सा हो रहा है
That's the whole point. Now,
Orko,
thank you,
Orko,
Ratul. And I would
Orko, one
first
sec,
of
one
all
sec, one
let
sec,
me
one sec,
thank
one sec,
you.
one sec. One sec.
That's
Orko,
the thing.
you would say it's a personal vendetta from your end, correct?
Yes.
It is, right?
Ratul, I'm sorry, man.
Ratul, it looks
Like,
awfully
it
personal.
seems like a personal vendetta.
अरे
Ashwin,
not only this,
Ratul.
I'll let you know. मेरे लिए ये personal,
Ratul,
Orko is a
come.
personal vendetta.
Yes,
there you
exactly.
go. Thank you.
Orko does
Exactly.
with this. Listen, Orko
Thank
does
you.
with a personal vendetta.
Same here.
What I'm saying on record,
Yeah.
Yes.
Orko का top उसका जिम का 2 बंदा दे दे, I'll sign अभी का अभी undercard pro.
No.
Pro.
Amateur
मेरा
fight, they're
MHS
amateur
नहीं है मेरे
fighters.
section में.
No.
मेरे section में MHS नहीं है.
Okay, fair enough.
So I don't want to fight your guys.
3 round जीत जाए, 3 round लड़ ले. No, that doesn't matter. He has to win. Doesn't matter. That guy has to win. He just survived 3 fucking rounds.
Won't fight in SOW because
fuck,
amateur
I'll put you
team.
in. I take the guarantee to put you fight in any fucking professional promotion. I have that much of contacts.
I don't want. See, first of all, come on, cool down. I think heat is escaping through that shiny head of yours. Just wait a minute.
Orko.
Yes.
Make a point. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just trying to make my point. This is, see, you see the energy right here. This is what I'm talking.
He's upset. So like, what? Yeah.
There must
I
be
can't
a
help. I have a
reason
pretty
for
face that he doesn't like.
it. No, okay.
So now you got to see. Now you got to understand. First of all, Ratul, I don't want any of my guys in SOW right now. They're not ready for pros. They don't fight pros.
Mhm.
If somebody who is training for SOW comes to me and says, I want to train with your gym so that I can fight in SOW, I will train them. Fair enough. That's done. Now coming to the whole point, he said I fucked up Partho's gym. I brainwashed everybody. Ashwin and Mohit, I have known you guys for a while now. And from the first day I have talked with you till today, have I pulled back any punches and not been public? The entire incident that has gone through? Have I pulled back any punches? No.
You've told us
Am I-
everything.
Am I a troll?
yeah.
Am I a troll for that? I don't know what you call me.
No,
You can call
I
me
mean,
a troll. You
the
can call
thing
me
is,
somebody who says the truth. You
the
can
thing
call me
is-
anything.
the thing is, Ratul is mentioning it from Partho's
Partho's
perspective.
point of view that I emptied his gym.
No, not for the
Now-
Partho's point of view.
Now,
What I'm mentioning is because as a neutral person, I don't work with Partho's gym, neither I work with Orko. Because जहाँ पे Orko रहता है, जहाँ पे Partho का gym है, उसी के दोनों के बीच में मेरा घर है.
Okay.
उसी के
where?
दोनों के बीच में मेरा घर है.
No, that's
Where?
okay. Let's not get into that. But okay.
तो
So
मेरे को समझ में,
he-
मेरे को knowledge में आता है. बात तो होता ही रहता है. It's a very
regardless,
small world. But Orko want to say, but मेरे को ये समझना, Orko want to say my guys, amateurs, कितने साल एक बंदा amateurs होते हैं? For how many years a guy stays
Dude,
amateur?
all of them just started. What's wrong?
I-
All of
I
you,
know
then
one
you
guy
have-
who's been there
I can
forever.
name a few, and I can name a few if I remember. But you have some oldest guys who are still fighting, and for last 5 years they have fought in YFCs and all. Then also, how many wins? What are the records? What is the average record of your fighters in amateur sections? Just tell me.
okay, let's.
What is the winning
so-
record and the losing record for each and every fighter?
Ashwin, what
average?
are we discussing?
No.
You
So I was
give
going
me
to
some
say,
clarity over it.
I was going to say that I'm sure from Partho's side it would look a little different. From your side it would look a little different. You can never
Yes.
come to an agreement of both sides having the same story, and that's how this shit works.
Yes.
So let's not even
And-
try to get to that.
Now, this is where I want to draw some clarity.
Sure.
Now, this whole conversation would have looked extremely awesome if we would also have Partho here, because he's telling it's
It
ice
would be
fruit, Partho
nearly
jump.
impossible for
Dude,
us
in
to
fact,
manage
okay,
that. conversation.
This
Come on,
entire
can you just-
conversation would have been really awesome if I had my matchmaker, because he has, my matchmaker. He
Okay,
wants
your
to,
It would have
like,
been
he always
awesome
wanted to
in
talk to you.
person.
No, see, first of all, I'm not
They
concerned
would be
with
fighting
that.
in person,
First,
man.
I don't know
We're
your
not having a
matchmaker. I
conversation
don't
if
want
they're
to-
together.
I
Because,
don't want to know your
Orko,
matchmaker.
Okay, we can
because
stop
Orko
them
I
in
is
don't
a
person.
matchmaker,
want to. I don't want to know your
technically screwed him up.
matchmaker. I don't want to know your matchmaker. I don't want to know you.
Who are we
You are doing
talking about? Who is the
SOW.
matchmaker? What?
No,
I mean,
Orko knows him.
Ratul's
When,
guy.
I saw.
I
When he
don't-
talked
I
to
know.
Partho, I said that guy would have been awesome. He knows a lot of shits from the beginning. He have been in India for a very long time in the early days. So
So
he
have
have
I.
been there when this
Ratul,
shits were going
Ratul,
around.
is there any reason
So,
why you're not
and
mentioning his
He
name?
was over there already, and he knew him, and there was a lot of, you know.
See, if your matchmaker knows me, see,
Who
one
is the
thing, if your
matchmaker? Can
matchmaker
you-
knows me and
You might
he
mention
can
him.
throw any light on this situation,
Guys, do you have
because you are
problem if I
not throwing
smoke
any
up in
light,
the
man.
screen?
Guys,
What?
Ratul, can you tell
have
me who
any
the
problem with
matchmaker is so
smoke up in
that
the
we have
screen?
some understanding? No, not all. Go ahead.
Whatever.
Can you tell us who the matchmaker is if you, I mean, unless he wants it kept?
I'll share those things. Just give me a date time because there are a lot of things. Okay.
Sure.
Now again come to this reference. आप लोग के साथ शिवा का भी बात हुआ था. After Orko, you had talked with Shiva Banerjee,
Ji.
right?
Before Orko.
Now before Orko, you talked
Yeah.
with Shiva Banerjee.
That's right.
उसमें भी आपको बोला कि मैंने बैन डाला हुआ है.
Okay.
उसने भी शायद आप लोगों को बोला होगा कि रातुल मुखर्जी जो जिसका अपने आप को Dana White of कोलकाता बोलते हो, अपने आप को बैन डाला हुआ है.
Which is epic, by the way. Dana White of Kolkata is epic.
मैं सुना था तो मेरे को याद है. हालांकि शिवा को मैंने कभी बैन नहीं डाला, उसने कभी मेरे को कांटेक्ट नहीं किया. वो
Okay.
हमेशा वो जुजुत्सु में पूरा ओरिएंटेड हो गया. He was in Muay Thai, वो जुजुत्सु में चला गया. हालांकि उसका भी जो बैकग्राउंड है, मेरे पास उसका स्क्रीनशॉट है. उसने एक बंदे को बोला था, he have been trained in Golden Glory, he have been a sparring partner to Alistair Overeem. वो जो एक ट्रेडिशनल झूठ है वो है. और हालांकि शिवा का भी जो है, he was a kickboxer, he was not a Muay Thai artist. He was working with Waco State of Bengal State affiliation. He was fighting over there, and he said like he was in Muay Thai Sangh. And unfortunately, when I was in Bengal, I tried to find that institution, but the name Muay Thai Sangh is not over there in. So उसके बाद ऑर्को ने भी मेरा नाम दिया. तो मैंने शिवा से मेरा कांटेक्ट नहीं है बिकॉज बहुत दूर है, बात ही नहीं होता है. वो जुजुत्सु में आ गया फिर नहीं होता है. बट ऑर्को समटाइम्स उसका क्या होता है, उसको खुजली आता है. He need talcum powder, man. वो कभी कभी पॉप अप करता है, रतुल करके निकल जाता है.
No, kabhi nahi. Whenever we have a conversation, and he's got something on his mind, he says it. That's it.
ना उसको अगर वो मेरे को इतना नफरत करता है कि अगर इतना भी भाई नफरत मत करो, प्यार हो जाएगा. लाइक इतना भी नफरत मेरे को कर रहा है कि हमेशा रतुल हम सेलिब्रिटी हो गया. इतना होता ना, मेरा इतना अगर और को कर दिया होता, मेरा वेरीफाइड हो गया होता. रतुल साला सामने जाएगा. तो आई हैड एन इंसिडेंट इन बैंगलोर. मेरे को बहुत गाली मिला था, बंदा ने बहुत गाली दिया. इवेंट हो रहा है, मैं सामने खड़ा हूँ, वो बंदा आया, टोपी, मैं उसको स्टेयर कर, वो बंदा आया, टोपी नीचे किया, चला गया. और मैंने उसको फॉलो भी किया, वो मेरे से बात नहीं किया. और को भी सामने यही करेगा साला. सामने आएगा टोपी नीचे कर निकल जाएगा, रतुल रतुल रतुल। साला मैं जो प्रमोशन, जो मेरा जो जितना पैसा लगता है ना इवेंट में, तूने बोला सुबह उसी दिन अश्विन को कि तुमने 5 लाख देखा नहीं है। अरे भाई इतना पैसा जुगाड़ना, इन्वेस्ट करना और लॉस लेना, विदाउट एनी स्पॉन्सर्स, विदाउट एनी फकिंग स्पॉन्सर्स। You need to have this guts in butts, dude. When you criticize, जब तुम कोई अच्छा करेगा, you criticize. सिर्फ तुम ही लोग अच्छा करते हो, सिर्फ तुम अच्छा करते हो, कोई अच्छा नहीं करते इंडिया में। Whomever you don't like, they don't do good. If you do good, and whomever you like, they do good. Shiva do good. Jujutsu Ronins do good. I do bad. Why, bhai? Partho do bad. Why, bhai? This guy do bad. Why, bhai?
No, he had told us you do bad because of, well, the previous past with
like
Boom.
it's a local
and
thing, yeah.
So
the Shutter
I-
experience you
there
had
was
mentioned
something.
He was complaining about the
So,
association. The association is part of the
Ratul,
association.
Ratul. There
the
was
major
something.
issue was the unsanctioned MMA events
Yeah,
where he
man,
had
I'm-
mentioned that you guys weren't paid.
I'm like keeping shut because you
Yeah,
know.
so
yeah.
that's
So
out
which is
of
why we're
respect,
bringing
out
up
of
the
human.
point, Orko. Orko, so Ratul, he had mentioned that the guys were not paid with Boom, the guys who had fought in the unsanctioned MMA events, which you had mentioned
Yeah.
earlier in this conversation.
I remember there are 3 guys who didn't get paid in Boom, and unfortunately that was not my decision. Trust me, I was a 7% owner of that promotion. It was a private limited company. I only had 700 shares to my name. I was just a minority owner. In fact, whenever the logos, so much of sponsors logos, what Boom had, it was for me. In fact, I can verify you had there's RTI. In fact, I never signed a company check. I never called a shot.
So who would you say responsible for the unpaid fighters and athletes?
So like those fighters who got unpaid, we're trying to schedule them in SOW, and we are going to pay them more than what they thought to get in Boom. And I'm trying to, I'm trying to make the things right with my own promotions. Look,
okay,
in my last 2 promotions, each and every fighters got paid. Each and every fighters, what have been committed, they have been paid. My entire things have been paid. When SOW3 and I'm signing a big roster, those guys are big rosters, they're costly. I'm going to pay them. So it's like,
I mean, you have approached a couple of athletes from my gym as well, if I'm not mistaken. There are a couple of names from my gym who have been approached by SOW also.
Might be. My matchmaker might approach you. I have no idea. Right. If you want to, you can send him. If you don't want to, it's up to you.
No, I don't. I'm just mentioning. You mentioned you have some athletes you're looking for.
Yes. So they might because we are scouting talents and we have couple of like back-to-back events in the pipeline and we need rosters and we don't want to keep we just don't want the amateurs right now because we are yet to judge their level and it's very critical to judge the amateurs level.
My worry with pro fighters, my big worry with pro fighters is that they're left unpaid, and that's like always been an issue. You mentioned clearly that you're paying your fighters and all that, but a lot of they're putting their brains on the line, so it's a big issue for them when they go out and fight professionally with knees and elbows.
In pro fights, I don't know. I think each and every fighter in SOW have been paid. So for past 1.5 years, there are only 2 events because due to the pandemic, we are supposed to have our 5th installment, but unfortunately, we are going to have our 3rd one due to this pandemic and all. So already we had the budget capital so that we had the budget capital to pay each and every fighters, and we're paying it. If you're talking about Boom, I am the minority owner. There were 2 other majority owners were there who took the decisions. Unfortunately, I was like, I was mature at time. I was like, okay, I want to be promoter. I took the lead. I was in the face, and yes, I landed up answering each and every questions. So in fact, I never talk on the record. I never talk to any Afghanis. I don't talk because it's very hard for me to communicate. They don't understand English or Hindi. So my team, that Boom team done it. And whenever this controversies happen, I landed up in a soup. That's the main reason. That's the point of view reasons that when we talk and they don't want to change the format, I quit. I quit the show. I quit Boom. Within the next 1 month, we formed SOW, incorporated everything. We started operating because I had enough. Because I was looking, because some of the fighters who came on my name and they have been paid, it was my issue and it was my reputation at stake, but I paid them out of my pocket.
Okay, so you're agreeing to the fact that Boom failed to pay a few athletes.
Yeah, 3 fighters didn't get paid. Again, I am not apologetic for this, at least for Jujar.
But you're trying to make amends.
I'm really very sorry. Rest for the 2 athletes, I'm really very sorry. I'm unable to remember their name right now. But yes, they've been written somewhere. I'll find them and I will try. And in fact, I told my matchmaker to schedule them at anyhow. So to sign them. And I'm really not very sorry for Jujar because When Jujhar came, he was we treated him and he said, "Bhaiya bhook laga." I treated him and I requested him, "Bhai, tu Alpha Omega ke training le, mere ko koi problem nahi. To coach ho tera. I don't have any problem. You can be from any gym. You can be from any gym. In fact, your coach can come and corner you. Shiva Banerjee can come and corner you anytime you want. But there is one thing. 2-3 दिन पहले उन लोगों ने मेरे को बहुत गाली दिया सोशल मीडिया में, बस उन लोगों को केज में मत डालना। नहीं भैया, केज में नहीं लाऊंगा। बाकी he
But
broke
that's
it.
a ban, right?
That's the
Was it?
thing. That's a no. That's not a ban. You're cornering your guys. You're watching your fighters fighting in front of your eyes. You are in the cage. You're beside the cage. You are cornering it. You, after your fighter win, you are not allowed to step in the cage. I know. Look, Brandy
Depends
Gordon is not banned
on
from UFC.
no,
His
depends
fighters
on
are
the
not.
depends on the accreditation system of the venue and the event.
Dude, when you was asked, everything was controlled. That guy
You're
was
saying
cornering.
at your
Getting. I
event
was.
he was not allowed in the cage.
The
Okay.
He was
venue
not
was Fit
allowed. And when
Expo,
I
man.
told him,
Gagan
he
Sachdev
said,
owns the venue. You didn't own the venue.
Okay.
Gagan
but
Sachdev owns the venue. It was a Fit Expo. I was there.
Fit Expo, but we paid for the fucking place, dude.
So what
I want
happened
that
in
fucking
between
place,
rounds?
that fucking
How
time.
did the coach corner the athletes from outside the cage between rounds?
Yeah, every fighters are mandatory to have corners.
No, but you said the corner or the coach cannot come into the cage. Correct?
Only for Jujhar. I never said nobody. Because Jujhar was training with Shiva Banerjee.
But that's very, very tough, and that's a double standard you're
Dude,
holding.
that's what. Because when you talk bad about me, and I'm just I'm lenient enough to allow you to corner your fighters in front of. You can see your fighters fighting before your eyes. You're standing beside the cage. You're cornering. That's it. That's
So let's say my conclusion to this is bans do exist. Of course they exist, and that's what I was trying to get to.
And to be very honest,
that's okay. It's okay as long as it's up there and upfront about it. It's fine.
See, the whole Ashwin, I'm just giving you my pointers from this whole conversation before we wrap this up. Now, I understand the majority of the talking has been done by Rahul. Yeah. So I still don't understand his problem with me taking his name. People ask me about him. I give my view, and that's it. That's not going to change.
You get my view.
Okay, one second. Orko, 1 second. Okay, Ratul, what is your problem with what he just said?
Whatever he has said on the last year at your podcast.
On the podcast and social media, Instagram.
Because when he have been asked, does he know? Usko pata tha ki main kya operate kar raha hu, nahi kar raha hu. Because you can sit before a computer, keyboard. Jo chao likh doge, jo chao doge.
Okay, Orko.
Newsflash, I'm not using a keyboard.
That was a serial baichati, that was an insult to me.
Okay, you're saying it was slander to you on social media and a public platform. That's what upset you?
That was really upset me because I wasn't bad mouthing him. Okay. And I never bad mouthed him after that. I was mum.
Okay, Orko,
that's his issue with you. That's
his issue. Now, let me come on with that. Everybody who asked me about Boom not paying Jujhar, I came to Sid, I came to all of you. I have made that clear that these guys did not pay Jujhar, which he revealed in I think in locker room or with Rahul Chabra, who thinks I'm just a blue belt who just came into the business and I'm running my mouth. Now, let me clear myself. My problem was they didn't pay him because of the personal vendetta, because Shiva could not come into the cage. I just don't know how does that make sense. That's my whole problem. Personal vendettas bring
UFC does that as well. You don't you know? UFC holds the fighters' pay. Don't you know? UFC McGregor is getting $57 million. So why that you're gonna fight for that?
Ratul, let him finish what his reason was.
We had the vendettas, right?
Let him finish, Ratul.
Now he came up with this poignant and emotional response to that I fucked up somebody's gym. Now, I'm not a millionaire, and if I have the capability of fucking up somebody's gym, there are two things: either I'm awesome, either they suck. In both cases, I will take both of the reasons. And now I fucked up Parthul's gym. In my defense, I'm not apologetic. Now, my point being, people ask me why I left. I left for many reasons. Was I desperate to get my boys into his tournaments? It's not a was. I am. I still want my boys to fight in his tournaments
And win. Right.
Simple as that. I'm putting everything on record very clearly. There is no mincing
Okay,
of
let's
what I
bury
say
that.
in the podcast.
Let's
I'm
bury
saying
that.
it.
What
No, I'm not-
what
there-
Ratul's
no, no,
what
no, no.
Ratul's issue is
There is
Slander.
no Ashwin, you got to
Slander.
understand. I've been listening to a lot of things.
Mhm.
Now, two things I don't take very, and I think you won't even.
Nobody does either. Personal
Nobody
attacks.
does. So Ratul came in and badmouthed my guys, my teammates.
Right.
On behalf of anybody. Now, this goes more than into the MMA thing, right?
Yeah.
This has
Yes.
become personal beyond the point of repair. Do I want to fight SOW at this point of time? No. My guys are amateurs. Do I have a personal problem with Ratul Mukherjee? Yes. Will I ever work with him professionally? I have no problem because I can keep my personal and professional life separate, which Ratul Mukherjee and Partho Sarkar can't.
Okay.
That's my point. That's my bottom line. If
Yeah.
I organize a tournament, is 360 allowed? Yes. Are my doors open for 360 guys to come and train? Yes.
That's
Somebody who's
established.
in SOW? Yes.
No.
Now
I think
you
this
can't.
has already been established. What
Yes.
his
So
main
now
issue
you
is-
can't. Now, so I want to understand what's the freaking issue.
The issue is the slander on social media.
The slander. What did I slander? Did I use a abusive
No,
word?
no. Well, he doesn't like being spoken about the way he has been in recent times. Am I
What
correct,
what
Ratul?
he himself is coming on record and saying that I didn't know he was a
Exactly.
minority owner or not or something like that, but he didn't pay the fighters of a
He's
personal
taken.
vendetta. And
So yeah.
I didn't.
So
say
He's
I'm
that.
taken
telling you,
one
That's-
sec,
that's
one
only
sec, one sec, one
fighter.
sec,
I
one
said
sec,
the
one
same
second,
thing.
one sec. So Ratul has taken responsibility for that.
but he
the
said not about Jujat, but about the two other people.
right.
So that's my whole point.
He's
What
held.
whole point?
Yeah,
Only
he's
three
held one
peoples
fighter's pay.
in
That's your
our
point, right?
252 or in 248 fights that I have promoted actively.
So
and
your
three of the
point,
fighters
your
did not
point,
pay,
Orko, is
and
that
you
he
have
didn't pay
bitch
that
for
one
Muslim
athlete, correct?
fighters.
My point, you guys are bringing personal vendetta into the game when there shouldn't be
Oh
any.
no,
Right.
dude! I don't know about Partho, but it's my the personal vendetta begins and ends at when I say somebody has to tap. If you are like you said, you don't have any problem. Your fighters fighting in SOW. I don't have any
My
problem
fighters.
either. I don't have
Yeah.
any problem either. But the problem happens. The problem वहाँ आ जाता है ना जब you slandered me, you make fun of me, you make mockery of me, and you want your guys to
What
fight
mocking did I
in
do?
my promotion. Why? You mocked Partho, you mocked him, you mocked his team, and why you are so frustrated to put your team to that particular sport? to that
Because I am
particular
better than them.
state sports.
Because I want to show that we are better than them. What's this freaking problem about?
Yeah, jiu-jitsu is better than, dude.
I'm not talking about my jiu-jitsu. I'm telling that we have a better team than them. What's your freaking problem? Are you?
Dude, your guys are not
You know, there's a very
winning
Who are you
belts
to tell
in,
me that?
86s
Who
and
Who
all,
are
and
you
you
to tell me
think
that? No,
you
no.
can,
First of all, who are
go
you
and-
to tell me that? Who are you to tell me that?
Fight promoter.
what? That your fighters?
Yes, first of all, you don't want them in your promotion. I understand that's your personal rights to attendance, and that's reserved. If you are speaking on behalf of Partho Sarkar, tell him to grow some balls and come here and talk to me. If he can't stop, tell him to not send you.
No, dude.
First of
You-
all, and
you
if
go
I
and
think
bitch
that
cry
why
about
I want to
everybody,
go
you
into this
go and bitch
competition,
cry about
as
everybody,
simple, because I
and
want to
everybody
prove that
ignores
I'm
you. That
better
doesn't
than
mean I
them.
will
If
ignore
you
you.
don't understand that, then go. I can't say this is a family podcast.
I'm not talking
No, it's
about
not.
Partho. I'm
Like, you
talking
can- you
generally.
can-
You
No, I
you
don't
and
want to
Shiva, you're
actually.
planning
It's
out
wasting
banning
words on it.
because you guys started bad mouthing them. You started bad
I'm not
mouthing
bad
us,
mouthing.
and then you think that if
I'm
you
not
don't allow,
bad
you are banning
mouthing.
you.
This
That's a
reality
fucking
and
karma,
facts
dude.
are not bad
That's a
mouthing.
fucking
Where
karma
has
coming
Partho's
back
guys
to
fought?
you.
Done. Let's give. You are so big on facts. It seems from your head you're big on facts. So let's give some facts. Where has Partho's guys fought? KFI?
Hmm?
Where has Partho's guys fought?
They're actively fighting. They have.
What?
As far
Where?
I know, they're actively fighting the amateur kickboxing grappling circuits.
Where?
Some of the fighters fought in SOW, and some of the fighters have fought in amateurs, Yodha
Where?
and X1.
What are the organizations?
I think Partho's fighters fought in Yodha, Amjad Khan.
Yeah, I was there in the team.
You can snatch anybody
I
from
was there in
Partho,
the-
but you know what? You cannot snatch Amjad from Partho.
I don't want to snatch him.
Hey, dude.
Why would I?
Dude, you took the
I don't want to snatch anybody.
You have come
Do
before
I
me 3
look
years
like
ago.
somebody
I know
who
that.
needs to
You had
snatch?
come before me 3 years ago with a social media troll, you and all your other subordinates. We counted couple of more than 3 to 4 years ago. We remember we have the screenshots.
I'm
Dude,
not a troll.
I know you how pathetic
people
shit you
who
are.
can say it in front of your
And
face
right
are
now
not
you just got
trolls.
matured. You open a gym and think you are a sadhu baba. That's it, man. You are just a.
When did I even say all this? Come on, Ashwin.
Come on.
Okay. I can't get a
I'm
word
just,
in.
I'm just, I'm just.
I'll share the official screenshot with Ashwin. I will email the official documents with Ashwin Moon and.
Share it. It's not official. I'm telling you, share it. You want to share the screenshots of what I have said about you guys? Share it, and I'll corroborate and say yes to every freaking one of them. You get that? That's my whole point.
Why Tony left you?
I'm not pulling my punches.
Why Tony left you?
I'm not pulling my punches.
Why Tony left you? Why Tony blamed at you? Why Tony Kimson left you?
Come on, get your grammar.
Okay, so this is okay. This is a new topic that has been included.
Who is Tony?
Who is Tony? Please give us some
Tony and what happened with
Tony? Mafia stories that you guys are talking about.
Come on,
let him respond. Ratul,
who is this? I've been keeping quiet because
go ahead.
Who did this? You can do this. You can do all this.
I said, who is this? What's wrong with
Orko? So what's this Tony situation? Who's Tony?
Why Kimson? Why Kimson left you?
Because he didn't like the way I trained. That's why he left. And we had a very social. Come on. And we had a very social media fallout. He said a couple of bad things to me. I responded, and we buried the hatchet.
Right.
We buried the hatchet. I'm not big on showing screenshots. Call Kimson up and say, did you fix things with Orko? Ask him. I have nothing bad to say about him. He didn't like my training. He left. I'm not saying I'm the best coach in India, you moron.
You're neither the best coach in India, Calcutta, you moron. I'm telling you.
When did I say I'm the best coach in Calcutta?
He didn't say that either.
I never said that.
You're not even legit. You're not even fucking legit, man.
Okay, what is legit?
What is this problem? He is talking on behalf of a guy who has never stepped on the mat and has.
Let me take this. So Ratul, what would?
No, I've been quiet because you have been taking this. This is going over the head.
I'm trying, Orko.
What kind of overhead going over you?
Ratul, what is legit in your opinion? Ratul, let's not get personal. What is your opinion of legit?
Who is legit?
I really think if a person doesn't have a formal training now, I don't know whether he has a formal training.
What is formal training? With MMA, there's very little formal training.
Not I'm talking about MMA. I'm talking about discipline sports. Be it kickboxing, be it striking, be it grappling, be it judo, be it wrestling, any. He don't have a
martial art, you're saying. But he does. He has jiu-jitsu. Jiu-jitsu.
How many years? How many years he trained? Actually, how many years he really trained?
Orko, how many years you got?
How many years he actually really rolled with the legit jiu-jitsu apart from the rise digs? With how many coaches he rolled? I know that a lot of jiu-jitsu guys in India who are rolling with different coaches who go outside. At least if they roll with the senior guys. They roll with the senior guys. If there is a black belt with stripes, if there is a white belt with stripes, I saw them. I have seen those videos. They roll with the senior guys, with the purple belt guys. They try to learn. I want to know with Orko किसके साथ रोल किया apart from Rikes Dix जब उसका कोच चला गया इंडिया से he shifted back to Australia वो कहीं भी गया होगा उसके बाद Orko किससे रोल किया है तू अपने ट्रेनिंग को कहाँ डेवलप किया I don't think so I don't think so कहीं भी अपने ट्रेनिंग को डेवलप किया है
I'm sure there
अगर वो एक लिमिटेड ट्रेनिंग्स के साथ वो
पर अब ये भी रतुल ये भी स्लैंडर ही है ना आप भी अब बस यही कह रहे हो कि मेरे को नहीं लगता like there's no
तेरे को भी लगता है
ये हकीकत है
तो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ क्या यार he is coming and corroborating every allegation that I've made against these guys and that's okay means they are corroborating it and he just corroborated everything I said.
You just made the allegation.
You don't know the meaning of corroboration, man.
Nobody
said it's okay.
Lie, dude, Orko.
Yep.
You never revealed your inner stories. You never revealed.
What's inner stories? Not what inner stories are you talking about? I'm interested to know my inner stories, man. Please show me who I am. When I really want to know means I don't know.
Dude, what I'm saying, when you're crying about this banning shit, you just fuck those guys and you're expecting your guys to fight over there. That's
Yes,
not
because I want to
happening.
fuck them up
Stop
more.
coming down. Stop
What's
coming on
wrong?
this podcast and so stop
What's
this
wrong
bitch
with
saying
that?
that you are getting banned. If you have the capacity, there are a lot of promotion, amateur promotion activity in India. Lots.
I fight on on all of them, man. I fight AIMF. I fight. My team goes regularly to ADCC. You call up most of the people in the India circuit. My guys go and fight, and I think if you don't know me, my guys, I have allowed them to train anywhere and everywhere.
So your guys are allowed to train anywhere and everywhere, right? What
That's what cross training is all about.
I'm just talking about if you're being a coach. I'm just being, if there is a coach, his thing is to train his guys, put him in a better level. Stop mocking me, you motherfucker. I'll fuck up your life.
Yes, guys, please.
It's
No, please. Let's. I mean, what's the point of this if you guys?
Also,
don't know?
you're forgetting that you just take a couple of blocks away from my house.
All right, guys, let's leave the threats and stuff out of this.
Because it becomes useless.
Like
so let me tell you the
Let's not
reason
go
why
there.
we got this.
Let's-
One second.
और
The
कुछ
reason
दिन
why
करते
we
हैं,
got
ये
you
भी
guys
करता है।
together is
इसका ये
to
चुतिया
get some
चलता
clarity
रहेगा,
on the
तो
situation.
We don't need to come on.
Martial
Rahul.
arts.
We
in
don't need to
West
abuse
Bengal.
ourselves. We can have a discussion. We don't need to abuse ourselves.
That's all
And
we're
I'm
trying to
telling
do.
you,
I'll be pleased to abuse you, man.
we don't need to. I'm not.
Dude,
I'm not even pleased to abuse you because I think that's
who gives
beneath
a
me.
fuck about you? You're out of my league, dude. Number one.
Of course,
You're
I'm
out
out
of
of
my
your league.
league.
Again, he just corroborated what I'm saying.
What the fuck? You're just out of my league.
Exactly. I'm telling you.
Being sarcastic, don't.
In a personal band, if you're talking about the personal
He doesn't
band,
know the meaning of that. Come on, boy.
I don't know any meaning.
Why are you
You know the meaning.
speaking his case?
You know the meaning. You know the meaning. I don't know.
No, I'm not freaking Webster that I know the meaning of everything that I say.
So
you are a legit
okay,
MMA
guys. So as far as I can tell, your grievances with each other stem from a history that has now become a situation where Ratul, you have to appreciate this, that young fighters, young athletes have a possibility of their careers getting affected by the interpersonal shit between you guys.
Between you two.
No,
चाहे
dude.
एक भी हो, चाहे एक भी बंदा हो जो अगर कोलकाता के एक किसी टूर्नामेंट में जो सैंक्शनड है, किसी से भी चला रहा है, कोई आपके जान पहचान का कोई चला रहा है, उनको अगर मना कर दिया जा रहा है, उनकी अपॉर्चुनिटी छीनी जा रही है। वो
सर मैंने आपको बोला कि मैं और को एक बंदे को अभी भी चांस रिकॉर्ड मैंने बोला
बिल्कुल आप perfect, and that's what we wanted to do. Okay,
मैंने बोला
if on Solar Warriors, when his guys you think are ready or he thinks are ready, and you can mutually agree, then that's a separate thing altogether in the future. But like
that's professional.
Yeah, that's professional. But I'm talking about right now. We have to get you guys to just bury this thing. Have your personal differences.
Tough to do. It's tough to do. Agree to have differences, but like this personal stuff that keeps going on between you guys, you should have to realize that the sport of MMA in Bengal is not going to get any
value from it. Yeah, you will be better off just agreeing to disagree and then moving on.
No, I completely agree.
I'm not the one like मैंने और को कोई बंदा को रोका नहीं है kickboxing या grappling में जाने के लिए. Again, I don't sit in those associations. I don't.
Why are you speaking on behalf of them?
Because why I'm speaking? इसीलिए क्योंकि भाई कहानी मेरे को पूरा पता है.
कहानी पता है, सभी पता है, मगर
जब औरको तू था वहां पे पास्तु के साथ, तू आने के एक हफ्ता बाद मेरे को हम लोग का फॉलो आउट हुआ. क्यों हुआ? जब तक शिवा का फॉलो आउट नहीं हुआ, तू आने के बाद फॉलो आउट हुआ. तू जब आया मैंने अभी तक जुजुत्सु रोनिस का ओनर्स को ना मिला नहीं है पर्सनली. देवांश को मैंने अभी तक पर्सनली मिला नहीं है, अनलेस एंड अनटिल एसओडब्ल्यू तुम्हें वो ईशान का कॉर्नर करने आया था. तभी भी हम लोगों ने एक दूसरे से बात भी नहीं किया बिकॉज ही वाज बिजी इन कॉर्नरिंग एंड आई वाज बिजी with the executing those things. So उसके अलावा why देवांशना hates me? Because मेरे को उसके बाद पता चला भाई तुम और शिवा जाके मेरे बारे में बोलते हो वहां पे.
अरे यार
तुम लड़की है रे, तुम चूड़ी पहन के रास्ते में घूम, तेरे बंदे को कोई अच्छा जिम में ट्रांसफर कर दे. You don't have that.
This everything is going up on the podcast, right?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, this goes.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
The thing is this, Orko. I am not against you guys. I'm against you. I told you.
That's what I'm telling you. Thank you.
But you said you guys are not ready.
Thank you.
So one second. So it's been clearly established what Ratul's problem is, Orko. Orko, what is your issue that's happened with
My
Ratul?
problem on an amateur, see, I'm not going to talk about professional level because I don't think these guys are professional enough to even talk about that. So this is my, so I don't need to explain anything. And Mohit, I don't.
Right.
I think everybody got the crux of the story of what I actually am saying for years and years to come. I have not spoken about anybody behind their back. I have been very public with what I'm saying. And I'm not that kind of a guy who's going to, butter up guys and who's going to, just keep quiet because they need to take part in some organization. Now, getting part in a tournament is somebody's right based on athletic prowess.
Again, if the tournaments, if those associations are privately running bodies, you cannot help it.
No, but the Bengal Association run by Partho is not a private run.
No, which one?
Associations are non-profit.
No, not all associations. There are a lot of associations. We have Cricket Association of Bengal. That doesn't mean that's a government body. They use the word association. That's a private running body. That's a Society Act registered body. You can look. You can make an association with a Society Act registered body. I have made that association.
You are agreeing.
You are agreeing.
बंदे को मना नहीं कर सकते ना यार. Mainly तो
यही है. So you are agreeing, na Ratul. You are agreeing. You are agreeing one thing. They and you. So I will not talk about you because you are allowing my guys to fight in SOW. Thanks for that. So I'm going to talk about Partho only. Okay, you can, give this message to him. So you are telling that Partho will not allow my guys or someone who knows is associated with me based on a personal vendetta because, as per you, I fucked up his gym. Yes or no?
Partho will not allow your guys till the time you coordinate with Partho. I said that. Because he doesn't want to read anything from you. He don't want to hear anything from you. That's the fucking...
So Partho actually said this to me when we were on call, that till the time I don't apologize publicly on a public forum, on Facebook, Instagram, wherever, for whatever I have said,
yes,
till then, he will not allow my guys or my associations to fight in the tournaments.
So simple as that. Now, right? If you're so much frustrated about your guys to put into those particular competition, why don't you put an apology? Because you done bad, so there's no harm putting an apology on social media. And you want your guys to fight over here, you just backstab that gym. You moved out, and you want your fighters to fight.
I didn't backstab anybody. I left.
Listen to me now. You left the gym. You took his students out. Now you want your those trained athletes to participate in
Partho's tournament.
And he asked you to apologize. You're not apologizing.
No.
As simple as that. You just
exactly.
Okay,
Ratul,
why would I apologize?
Chori kya hui? Firstly, okay, so devil's advocate. Everybody's their own person, and if let's say a coach leaves a gym to start his own gym, which is aspiration, यार अब आपने भी बूम छोड़ के अपना सोलो वॉरियर्स खोला.
सर ऐसा बात है ना, हम बूम छोड़ के गया तो हमने बूम का कोई फाइटर्स नहीं उठाया अभी तक. मार्क माय वर्ड्स, मैंने अपने क्लाइंट्स भी छोड़ दिए. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
ठीक है. तो लोग भी अब अगर कोई बंदा छोड़ के जा रहा है जो ट्रेनिंग करने आ रहा था, उसको लगा कि यार this guy is leaving, I want to train with him, I'm just going to go where he's training. Bro, people go from Anytime Fitness to Planet Fitness to Cult Fit to this.
That's a lot different, Mohit.
No, I'm saying
fitness हो गया. अगर MMA का अगर आप
Ratul saying that it was a loyalty issue, that he felt he was betrayed on that front, which is fair enough.
Feels that I betrayed him because I can
understand his side of story. I can understand Orko's side of story. They're both right. Nobody's wrong. But he might not be right in the fact that he probably was undermining Orko's progress or not pitching his 50% of the work at that point of time, which is why Orko had to leave to start with.
Exactly.
That's it. So
I'm saying the same thing.
He's never disagreed. Orko ने कभी नहीं बोला कि मैंने is he apologetic? No, he's not apologetic. So why should he apologize? It's very tough for him to apologize about that. That's his main issue. Ratul, he's telling
you. No, I want to clear one thing out about this apology. I was told that I had to send a mail.
This is not exactly you apologizing. It's what he wants to hear.
No. So this is you guys don't know about this. Okay. Now because we are here, I can actually say this. that I actually sent a mail to Bengal Grappling Association, which is run by Mr. Partha Sakar. And I sent a mail that let's keep our personal grievances aside and we can start anew on the professional side. I actually sent him a mail.
Dude, that doesn't even work. Never with me. Being a human, everybody have this. I don't have the emotional center. It's not a very good friend of mine. I don't have
wants an apology. That's all he wants.
I'm not going to do that. And if my guys want to leave me for that, they are most welcome to do that. If what I can do or what I cannot is based on the fact whether I apologize to someone else to actually fire up their own ego because they can't, because they don't have two cojones in between their legs, it's not my freaking problem.
Okay, I got a question for Mohit. Mohit. If you in Orko's situation, what do you do?
Probably what Orko's doing. Like,
you do that bit. What about you 5 years from now?
I don't know. I'd probably speak to the guy personally. Like, me as a human being, like that's how I deal with it. And Ashwin, you know this better than most. If I have any kind of issue with someone, I will stalk them and fucking clear it out. And if it's completely unsalvageable.
Okay, but what if you're trying to apologize? What if you're trying to fix things with me and I'm telling you, listen, homie, your guys are not competing in my tournament until and unless I get a formal apology from you publicly. Are we both being unreasonable? That you're not apologizing and I want a public apology? Who's more unreasonable? Is it me or is it you? It's the guy asking for the public. Yeah. So I'm just playing devil's advocate here. It's like,
you're right. It's a tough
situation that's very, very difficult to solve because, okay, let's say Orko makes the public apology. What if that is not enough? He looks like a fool.
Yeah, that's true. That's what I was thinking. Like, why would you apologize? You just be like, yo, man, there's a fucking ass load of tournaments around the corner. So
then that's what I'm thinking. If there's an ass load of tournaments, then Orko should fight on those ass load of tournaments. Why is so frustrated about this Kolkata shit? There are a lot of tournaments, much better tournaments
this isn't right
throughout India, especially with the Jiu-Jitsu thing
so
in Delhi.
We stop fighting about what's right and what's wrong because it's easy thing to do. So we stop fighting about what's right and what's wrong because it's an easy thing to do.
ये अतुल भाई ये कह रहा है कि वो गलत है कि इसको इसके फाइटर्स को अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही उस टूर्नामेंट में.
प्लस अगर लेट्स से स्टेट जिu-jitsu चैंपियनशिप है वो तो एक ही होगा. तो these guys will
there are different associations that
तो सब बोल.
यार मैं तो ऐसे ही कह रहा हूँ कि nobody his guys will never have the opportunity to be like.
देखो वैसे भी ग्रैपलिंग मैं सीधा बात जानता हूँ, फाइट ग्रैपलिंग और jiu-jitsu वालों का बनता नहीं है.
क्यों?
फेडरेशंस में दोनों फेडरेशंस में बनते नहीं. और कैलकाटा में जो वैसे भी कैलकाटा का jiu-jitsu एसोसिएशन तो है ही है. आई थिंक शिवा हैव द एफिलिएशंस फॉर jiu-jitsu और वैसे भी ओपन टूर्नामेंट्स
and we fought Shiva's state tournament.
Yeah. So be happy. You I think you आपके बंदे शायद यहाँ पे भी leverage में भी लड़े होंगे, compete किए होंगे. They have the opportunity. Leverage is the opportunity. So we are so frustrated कि हमको यही पे particular चाहिए. You have so much about.
It's not the right thing to do.
If I was in your place.
Ratul, we've understood your point of view. We've understood कि आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मगर उसको
I have been 5 years. I've been banned from the entire Indian circuit.
We are aware. We're not saying that. No. One second.
I bounce back hard.
Ratul, bhai, that one is bothering him, and it is because it is. And nothing you can say will change it.
जैसे आपको बुरा लगा कि इसने आपके बारे में कुछ बोला है और आपको बुरा लग रहा है, तो इसको भी बुरा यही लग रहा है कि
इसको अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही उस एक टूर्नामेंट में.
हाँ, एक ही टूर्नामेंट है, एक ही बार इसने भी बोला.
तुम लोग मेरे बारे में पूजा नहीं करते. तुम लोग ना मेरे बारे में पूजा नहीं करते. जिम में बैठकर मेरे बारे में 40 पढ़ा जाता है वहां पर. आधे से ज्यादा रिकॉर्डिंग पड़े हुए हैं मेरे पास. It's not about who you said and what you said, and I'm very okay that Partho tells everybody who I am. That's free publicity and I like it. I have no problem. He can tell whatever good things back. I want to tell him to tell all bad things about me. I don't care. I really don't care. But he's doing a disservice to his own guys if he's not allowing other gyms to fight in their tournaments, because those guys he's training and those guys who are putting their hard-earned money of their parents and them into training, they are not getting big, legit competitions and then thinking they are king.
Then they should change the coach.
Exactly my point. And thank you, Ratul. You just
then you
became a millionaire.
Them, or they should drop you.
This is like, I don't even know where to go from here, guys. So this is actually...
1 second.
Look, Look, there are a lot of, I know there are a lot of competitions going on. For the last 5 years, the MMA scene in India has developed in a lot. Not only MMA, I have seen the Jiu-Jitsu, the level of Jiu-Jitsu has grown up a lot. There are a lot of fights. You guys are promoting with a 1 lakh rupee fight fees. So that's not a matter of joke. In fact, ADCC is unable to, ADCC India is unable to. You guys are doing it. So there are a lot of open opportunities. I'm not thinking about Orko. His team can participate in any given competition, any given day, in every corner of India. So if he's crying to fight in that particular state kickboxing or state grappling championships, particularly where they have a strained relationship in entire thing. If I am a CEO, if I am the owner SOW, अगर मेरे पास और भी कुछ जुजुत्सु का competitions आते हैं, इसमें आते हैं और मेरे साथ औरकों का हाथापाई कभी होता है, वो नफरत ये चलता रहा, definitely मैं औरकों के साथ काम नहीं करूंगा. I'll tell their other guys, hey, I'm signing you as I'll be your new manager. I'll assign you the coaches. Drop in and come back. I am so much frustrated, Orko. I am giving you his guys an open opportunity. I'll sign them. I'll place them.
Give me your number. I'll send all the contact details of my guys to you. Tell them.
Dude, mine. If somebody wants to approach me, I have a lot of my clients. If somebody wants to approach me, they know how to approach me. I'm just giving. I'm saying.
If
you're not able to place it, give me.
This is a public podcast.
Your problem is this.
Ratul Mukherjee will give you a trainer,
I'm taking the kind
a manager, fights, money. Whoever is listening right now, who trains under me, wants to hire Ratul as a manager and
promoter,
wants to drop me, you are more than welcome.
Okay.
Cool. Damn cool.
Fist bump on that.
But because I can assure you, till the time you're there, I doesn't give a fuck about the personal vendetta. I don't give a fuck about this thing.
Keep a brother hanging,
you guys are not getting chance because you have messed up with those guys. So
and I'll keep messing up.
Okay, 1 second.
Nobody wants to entertain.
One second. Okay, to end this.
That's why nobody's
on a progressional
positive note, please.
We have understood that Ratul, when his guys are ready, and if they're ready, you will give them a shot, correct?
Again,
Ratul bhai, yes no question. Yes or no पूछा.
गुस्सा थूक दे यार, फालतू में देख एक चीज. मगर मैं just giving my 2 cents. Fuck all this shit. Like, you don't need extra stress in your life. और को आपकी पहली बार अब सालों में बात हुई है. You have cleared all the shit that Orko said about you. You have actually cleared up a lot of things that have been said about you in the past. If Orko didn't have information and now he does,
no, I didn't know actually.
Exactly. So I'm certain he's not going to go back on that.
I thought he owned Boom.
Exactly. He's not going to go back
on
that.
He was a partner, not completely
and lie about it. He's not going to fabricate things, and he's not going to say shit just to say shit. If he feels like something's not going right, he, as you know, has voiced his opinion loudly, and he will continue to do so. Similarly, Orko, since he's cleared everything, you have no grouse. He has no stake in the state thing. That is something that is a battle that you're going to have to fight. And Ratul, you have to recognize and agree to recognize that there is discrimination against his guys for whatever reason, personal, whatever. It's discrimination.
जो भी issue था, उसको chance नहीं मिल रही है.
तो अब इस गुस्से को थूको.
नहीं, अभी मैं ये कहना.
मेरा सिर्फ एक सवाल था रातुल भाई, अगर इसके फाइटर्स रेडी है, आप उनको शॉट दोगे या नहीं दोगे? बस.
मैं तो रिकॉर्ड में बोला हूँ, उसके 2 फाइटर्स को मैं चांस दूंगा. अगर मैं तो नहीं बोलेगा उन लोगों को जीतना भी है, 3 राउंड्स टिक जाए. Results doesn't count.
Sure.
चूहा नहीं बनना है, भाग के लड़े, 3 राउंड टिक जाए, फिर देख लेते. ओपन बोल रहा हूँ, 3 rounds. Undercards, main cards.
That's a decent opportunity, and I think that's progress from us, Mohit. That's a fucking
that's a big win. And Ratul, would you say that would then you said that Orko is not legit, like you said it on this podcast earlier tonight. If that happens, will you come out and publicly say that Orko is a good coach?
If Orko's guys goes 3 rounds, I'll give kudos to these guys. I'll sign him to the contracts. But then also, I'll be having the same stance. Orko's not a great coach.
That's okay. That's okay. That doesn't matter. We've done something for Bengal MMA today, Mohit. Congratulations.
Yeah. Now, when it comes to me, ask me a question. What's wrong? Ask me an elder question. Ask me.
Okay, Orko.
Orko, will if he gives your guys an opportunity? I mean, what is the reason to real bad mouthing him anymore?
No.
What sense does it make?
First of all, if there is a professional relationship with me and him, and he's allowing my guys to fight in his promotion. I know better than anyone that if I am in a professional relationship with him, whether I like him or not, I'm not going to back now. Simple as that. Because it does not look good professionally that I'm fighting in, my guys are fighting in the same promotion and I'm slandering the guy who runs. Doesn't really work like that.
Finally, Orko learned the lesson, but you slandered me in 2016, you remembered?
I just slandered you a couple of minutes before. Do you
Both of you
remember that?
slandered each other. दोनों ने both of you slandered each other.
What's wrong with you? I just slandered you a couple of minutes back. Why are you going to 2016?
Dude, I've been slandering you for a very long time right now. So
All right, so now guys, we have come to
Exactly.
the end of this podcast.
वही तो हम बोल रहे कि
And from next time, Ratul,
आगे जाके
and from
you
next
guys
time,
can-
Ratul, I appreciate the fact that you came on here and you are willing to talk and help me prove everything that I have been trying to prove. Thank you so very much. You just helped me prove my lifelong struggle is real. Thank you so much. People used to think I am just mad. Thank you so much. Means I am
I
really
assure
in
you,
debt.
I
I am
assure you,
really
if you
in
don't
debt.
change your attitude, this struggle will keep going on. And this is gonna happen. Mark my words, if you don't change your attitude.
I'll take
When
that
you're working
advice.
with the locals over in Kolkata, you need to change your attitude. You're not the boss. So once you change your attitude, once you come down, like, okay, I'm not the superior. A lot
Okay.
of guys are gonna work with you in the local circuits.
Okay.
I'm not talking about my local circuits because I think I'm gonna be the national one. So in the local circuits, I'm talking about the local competitions.
Okay.
So if you don't change attitude, your
Thanks,
struggle
sir.
goes on. I assure you.
Thank you, sir.
This is going to go on. It's just
I agree.
free advice. लेना है तो लो वरना छोड़ दो.
नहीं मैंने लिया
Okay.
and this is such a
Okay,
great
okay.
advice and
We-
just
You
one
should.
more thing, next time don't come on behalf of somebody, tell them to come instead.
नहीं भाई. Again.
Thank you,
I didn't
Ashwin.
come behalf of
Thanks,
somebody.
Okay, guys,
मैंने तुम्हारा beach crime सुना है.
guys,
I came because to
that's
be honest,
enough, I
one
it
think.
thing
will
is very
continue
important.
और थोड़ा सुन लेना.
guys,
a lot
this
of
will
guys want to
this will
talk
become
about you.
endless.
He
Yes.
comes, they comes and meet me.
Water?
Great. So, okay, guys, thank you so much for doing this. I think you both have been happy with whatever you've had to put out there.
Yeah, I'm very happy today.
I'm
I'm
hoping
going to have extra
that,
piece of chicken.
that
Yeah,
the
I would be
fighters
happy
get
if you have
opportunities
put
going
if
ahead
you
in
if you
the
have done it at
future.
Instagram live. You know, I should appreciate Ashwin and
Will you come in
wait
on
if you have
again?
put it on Instagram live.
Oh, this is a video. I give you my entire permission to put this video.
Oh, we're
my
gonna
God.
put this
Facebook.
video on YouTube, like for sure. This
This
is
should be
Put
on
it,
your
Yeah,
channel.
put it on.
as is, like
Put
there's
it
no
on.
edits.
Put it on.
There's no edit to
Please
this.
don't.
This
Please
is
just put it on. This is too
epic.
entertaining
Fucking
for
perfect.
not to have a
This is the
visual
most fun I've
scenario.
had on a podcast in a while. Thank
Yeah,
you,
me
Ratul.
too, man.
Thank you, Orko.
Me too.
I
Thanks.
hope you guys have a good evening.
Got to
you.
say your piece, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Thanks,
doing
sir.
this.
Thank
Appreciate
Tell
it.
Partho I said hi.
Have a good night.
Be
You
nice.
can call him and
Be
ask
nice.
for
Please,
the
please be
apology
nice.
and-
Be
Yeah,
nice.
guys, come on, yeah.
Doesn't pick up my calls. He misses me, but he doesn't
Oh,
pick up
so
my calls.
bad, so bad.
So
Just
bad.
try your luck. Try your luck. Bye bye.
All right.
Bye,
Thank you,
Ratul.
Ratul.
Thanks,
brother.
man.
Appreciate
Take
it.
care. Yes, best of luck.
Mother of God.
So that was our episode with Orko and Ratul.
Yeah, Mohit, biggest takeaway for this episode is, dude, we had some progress, dude,
Um,
which is insane. He actually, we got two fighters an opportunity. I mean, that's a win
dude,
for me. I
like
think
they agreed at least verbally.
it's
front.
here.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
fine.
here. It's all here. Chalo, good. Well done. I'm gonna play some Call of Duty. See you,
Yes,
brother.
Good night. I'll see you.
Bye.
Day after.
Bye.